Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Well, as usual, you don't know if we just sit back and kind of wait for the people them forward up in the thing. Yeah. Alright. Munchie. Oh, I go and good as. What's up? Sunshine Barbs, Roxil, Mr. Hyde. People in my forward. MJ, what's up? Wayne, 69. What a number there beside your name, me, Wayne? Why that number there? Wayne 69. Sunshine Bob said, what is the topic for today? Well, I don't know to call him about anything I want to call him about, but the topic is the man who I live the better life right now. The man and woman on the side are the straight up man and woman. Who I live the better? Any mix-up associated with the following question. Who I live the better life nowadays? The man or woman on the side or the straight up man or woman? Any mix up on have upon them something there? Yeah, wanna just give me a link and make you know what go on. That I topic for this week, for the whole week. Who I live the better life right now? Who I live the happier life, the better life? The man or woman on the side or the straight up man or woman? Sunshine bars, big up yourself and everything is everything. I miss Woody and Mario. What y'all have us wait there already? People in my side, there's somebody on the side, you know. I don't know. CBS, big up yourself, you know. CBS side Isha. Rodrika, nah man, enough. Go give me some mix-up or some arguments for explain what I say. Right? Man, I understand how so much people that roll out. More while I wish you talk about man we treat woman good. No, we can't talk about that. No worry yourself. That a forward later on though. Alright, we just wait for the people them roll in as usual. You see me? Munchy say my lips are sealed. Now leave that alone. Summer, come here. Say, hi, Raga, my day man want go on. Yeah, no, the nurse incident there. It's serious. It's serious for those who don't know. One video go viral, you know. With one man a beat up one nurse, you know, and the nurse not do him nothing, him a drive bad. And the nurse just politely ask him for, say him stopping at the road and block the road, and she politely ask him for move and thing, and the man come over and spit in her face 2 times. Basically, I say she no for tell him what him for do and whatever, and the woman throw some water upon him, and the man don't do nothing more than beat up the nurse, you know, fling her over like a flick her over, step on and step in her face on the ground. And the whole like the pan video. You understand? And then one next woman come out and say, yeah, that same man that did rush me one time to me have to call police when him a drive and she a drive and whatever. And she have to call police and all kind of sitting and whatever. You understand? So that thing they gone viral and thing, a dog violate yo. Yo, people make anybody my age tell you. Right? Anybody who Christina said where that take place. Jamaica. One big 65-year-old businessman. When me tell you flick a woman up in the air and drop her boom, you know when you watch wrestling. You know when you watch wrestling and then fling up the people in the air and slam down. See him, you know. Back all gun pan the nurse, you know. She dip on the ground, you know, she fight him off and whatever, you know. Just because she tell him, say, big man, you can't in the way and block the road, so I'm late for work and whatever. And apparently, I one of them man they will just have woman strength, you understand? Back him gun pan her. I want passerby come and Kasha fight him off and the gun drop and him pick up the gun. And when the man give him back a gun, you know, so the man a walk over and him deliberately step in her face, put him big dirty foot in the nurse face. Right in her face on the ground. Right? Me, the video, I have the video, but I don't have it on my computer, you know, so I can't play it and thing. And then one next woman call in, I want to show down at Jamaica and say, yeah, that same man there did a rush hour with one similar thing, you see it? People make anybody tell you who I'm my age. Back in the day, I get to, you know. You see, if you put your hand on one nurse, or one teacher, or anybody who a go church, some ghetto justice reach when a proper man. Me I tell some ghetto justice reach where I don't know normal. Back in the day, you understand? When we are youth, I grew up at West Kingston. Remember that one boy go wait name the one nurse and whatever, go chuck off the nurse face and whatever. And the man them in the area, you know, the terrible man them I talk about, you know. Them man they, you know. Hold on, them I cry. And them man they move to that, you know, man. And when they don't beat that, you know, the message was sent. You know, do them sitting there. You understand? Right? But them look at big old dirty ass steering 65-year-old man now. He might go on and with them look arms house behavior they and a disrespect a woman them and all them something there, you see me? Greetings. Yeah, what go on?
Boy, I mean, I say we change the topic to the nurse.
No. The topic not change. The topic not change, but we just talk about it. Yeah.
All right,
yeah.
we just talk about it, but hear me now. A very few people here talk about it. Right?
You serious?
I me see the video. Yeah, me see the video. I me always I go through social media and I see listen to other people's point of view. A very few. And the same incident with the young girl from UE. UE she come from, where them find her in a body bag.
Yeah.
When we as women are stand up for we right, or stand up against man where do them foolishness there.
No, the woman them been a stand up and a talk out though, you know, in fairness to them, you know. And we see the nurse, them big demonstration in Jamaica today about it and thing. The healthcare work.
Just the nurse them,
no, hear what me I say. Woman been a talk about it long time and a stand up long time. But unfortunately, them now get that kind of systemic from the top respect there from the patriarchy where I run the country. If you say, make we attack this thing in terms of like a values type of thing in the school and whatever. They don't teach culture in school, you know.
That is true.
They don't teach culture in school. They don't assess what's going on in the society in terms of gendered behavior, for example, and address. They say, you know what? We see this systematic oppression against women in this era and whatever. Make we come up with some sort of curriculum-based type of thing. We're from the boy picking them little bit, and we are gonna raise them right in our school. Make we integrate in them. Them not do them something in Jamaica. Them not teach, you know, our history and them something for people feel better about themselves and about, you know, ourselves as a collective. The only time Jamaica united are when Olympics are going and when Reggae boys are playing. Right?
And the other one, you know what? An election.
Yeah, and them time there, you understand? You see it?
Raga, trust me, pain me hard. Me see the video and it pain me hard for the woman. If you see a man, a big old tough man like that could have lift up one woman and throw down the woman's son.
Me say people, that when you see the man fling people, me I go tell you now, they probably think a joke me I make. It's a grown woman. And the man flick her up in the ear. She go up in the ear, full circle up in the ear, and drop, boom. And you must think a joke me I make. She go wheel right up in the ear, her entire body like her foot the up here so. Her
Listen
foot
to
the
me now,
up here, so.
Raga.
And
I
bring
don't
her
go
down and
wrestling.
slam her upon the ground. Boom.
Wrestling alone, me see them there's something they pan.
Then that me say a while ago before me I say, yo, people, you know, the wrestling sitting and me see them something they go on, you understand? Right?
And then again, and it looks like she having braid and the man tear out every braid.
No, yo, you know, say you have something that blowing on your phone though.
Me don't know if a wig or a braid, but you can't see half her head.
Well,
Nothing
no,
there.
and of course the part where the two things where really upset people are when him slam her up on the ground. And when the man go out of him way, people. Out of him way for step in our face. And when him step in our face, he make sure him foot. And I like say him foot just brush against our face. Him deliberately step in our face and then press down him foot on our face.
Yeah.
Yeah. You understand? And then one woman call in somewhere, one different woman call and say, yeah, I him see him one did do her or something and she'd have to call the police to her and whatever and come over to her and bother her up on the road and whatever. So
and not even that, me go on one live and hear other people are calling for the live and say, I saw the man treat woman.
And unfortunately, I know, you know, you have a whole heap of man
she
going
alone, I find just walk and disrespect woman for a big businessman.
Yeah, and a successful, connected, well-connected businessman, and supposedly affiliated with. We're not getting at that right now. But anyway, bless up yourself here.
You too.
Yeah. Well, people with there now, you know the levels, you know, no call him, but you can't call him, but we want to just call him, but we want to call him, but hold on, let me make sure I bring over this thing, yeah. So make sure people them right, boy, I tell you TikTok different, you know. 483 people over here already. John, no. Well, I know that them say is somebody say him own in media unless I can know definitively say it's him own that. I can't really say it, so I don't know for a fact. And you can be sued anyway. I'm a lawyer now, so I'm very sensitive to these things, understandably. But yes, it was reported in the Jamaica Observer that he is connected in the tourism transport industry in Jamaica. So, and somebody posts him on a certain tour bus company and thing, but I don't know definitively that he has, and I haven't seen anywhere where it says yes yet. Milo, big up, you know. I mean, I say Milo, but we know who Milo is. All right. But, you know, him violate. All right, let me see something. Hello, good afternoon, good evening. Oh, well, Andy. You don't know that thing I go with TikTok and things, saying. Alright. One thing you know, sometimes you bring in the people them and them, you know, it's like them not dead there, them shift or something. Hey, so we have a look at topic I work with and things. Yeah, greetings, sir.
Yo, Raga.
Yo, what you say?
Big up yourself, man.
There, man. What I go down?
A long time you listen for you on radio, you know.
See it there? How long ago?
You mix up on all Tambourine family and anything there.
See it there? Where
Long
they
time, man. Remember you
yeah.
did there one station. I move go Cliffview station.
Yeah, we leave New Start. Well, a 3 different station I work with at Jamaica, you know. At 102, New Start 93 FM and Nationwide 90 FM.
Yeah.
Seeing?
And then they just come off a radio, but a bag of things that go already.
Indeed. All right. So you just a
Yeah,
call
man,
for give me a
watch out
yell.
now. We fought me. No, you know, I said the topic where we really depend on
Yeah.
all the man deal with the nurse now.
Yeah. So we ask about it.
Man, they deal with the nurse how we, brother. Disrespectful.
Indeed. And so what you feel, what you think, what kind of effort we can make, right? What kind of initiative you think say, would I help for kind of alleviate that for get the young, for get men to behave differently towards women when it comes to violence?
Well, you have to make them spend some time, you know. It look like the money now go help when judge charge them. So you have to spend some time behind bars, man.
Oh, you mean prison?
Maybe that to curve. Yeah, man. Maybe that to curve, man.
All right, then I say a word. Respect for your input, all right?
All right, that's all right.
Yeah, man, protection, man. Respect for the yell and things, see? Anyway, we are juggling with another topic where it's prepared for the show and thing, but again, you know, calling about anything you don't want to call him about and thing. I saw the thing set, you know, just, you know where it go. From, you know, I put this a little lower. Hold on there. Yeah, man, this, yeah, like, no, hold on. Yeah, about this, so. That should do it. Check 1 3. Check 1 3 1 3 1 3. Yeah, so we ask a little question and thing, you know, we keep it you know, sufficiently. We have a serious matter on, you know. Okay. Yeah, and so we ask a question, you know, who nowadays a live the better life, you know? In 2025, who a live the better life? Any mix-up associated with this question, we want to call in and tell me. Is it the side man or the side woman them a live the better life? Or it is a straight up man and the straight up woman them a live the better life, right? Who a live the better life nowadays? The side man and the side woman them? Or is it the straight up man and the straight up woman them? Or if I make it even a little bit more complicated, is it that side woman a live good life but side man not live no good life? Or side man a live good life but side woman not live good life? Or straight up woman a live good life but straight up man not live good life? You know? Or straight up man a live the good life but straight up woman not live good. I want to go on out there, whatever. You know, this is an unending issue, you know, right? This is an unending issue. You understand? Someone fear, we want to say about it, so keep it spicy and jiggy and thing, and let's go. Hello. All right, I'm bringing somebody in. Yeah. Hello. Wagwan.
It's 1 7 pandem.
You see it, seven in the place. Talk to me.
To be honest with you, Ragami, I want by the way big up your minty.
Eh?
Mr. By the way, big up your minty.
Oh, me not have no tea today.
Oh.
Yeah.
But Raga, to be honest with you, I feel like for instance we hanging should we come back.
Wait, talk look a lot that. Yeah.
Back in hanging.
What that?
I think they should bring back in hanging.
Okay.
Some things I see are going around Jamaica, Raga, especially where they look at 9-year-old the other day and things. We see are going in the society. I just feel like, for instance, nobody know no more morals again for humanity, for
Okay.
life.
So if them bring in hanging and things, so obviously I say
life.
so. Or some of them money I behave them for hang,
Maybe
right?
we get
Right.
Yeah, get like a fear.
All right then. So you think so woman for hang too?
For as long as they take a life, it don't matter what age you are. For as long as they take a life, you should pay back with yours.
That the woman, if a woman takes somebody's life, them for hang too.
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
Raga, if you can take, if you not, if you can take one Raga, why you can pay the penalty? Justice for justice.
No, but here's the thing though. And just so you know, this is heavily debated in the literature and all these things. And but does capital punishment work? Is it effective as a deterrent? You know, and then what would no hold on. So the question is the purpose of capital punishment just to get rid of, really terribly egregious offenders, or is it to deter other people from behaving in the way those people did?
Raga, when time I grew up, I answer you something now indirectly. When me I grow up, I mean see, siblings or anybody at all get beaten certain way. Me no want to, Yeah, know, me not happen to me in a Raga. Me don't go and see you get beaten in a Raga. Me no want to, So, if me say somebody get hung, you feel like me gonna want that for myself? No.
Okay, so you're saying it will work as a deterrent. Okay.
You understand?
All right.
And to be honest with you, see how the way you almost the man deal with the
The
lady.
nurse.
We don't want to know how the hell you deal with your daughter, how you deal with your wife, what kind of way you treat your people that we are working with you. These are the questions I ask myself.
But for the record, people they threw the book at him, like every charge where them could have put on him, them fling on him, and he's presently locked up
I
and
know, Raga, me I follow it up.
waiting.
And me I follow it up to the point where me know so today they have a demonstrated in Kingston.
Right.
So
No,
me I
no,
really
no.
follow
I'm
it
just
up.
telling people that he has been arrested and duly charged with every charge where them could have think of them fling on him. You know.
Let me ask you one question. The other day with the 9-year-old, right? You see how the man if ever suffer before you go in jail?
Me no. I'm gonna be honest
You
with
see how
you.
you come back on fat?
No, you know, so me now go. No feel how
Let
you
me tell
stay,
you
but me
something,
not
man. Raga, so
preoccupy
my
me.
time enough to go
Me
back to
not
jail before
preoccupy
going
myself with how him did look before. It's just he's a murderer of children, you know,
Yeah, so
and
that's what
so.
I'm trying to tell you. So like I don't feel like, for instance, say, usually they go in a jail. Nobody's trying to go in a jail because when they do certain things.
We have to be careful with that, you know, because what happens is when we see these really terrible things happening, you are now referring to the 9-year-old who was raped and murdered, the little girl, and thing is
Raga, this is not his first
no, you're
offense,
not
no.
listen
I
to
don't
me,
need
you
to
know.
follow up this
You're
story.
not listen to me, you know. I'm just saying we can feel strong about these things. I feel strong about it too. The little girl, something that I have a little daughter, you know, right? My daughter, you know, she has 7 years, little picnic or whatever. And but you know, sometimes with all these things, we must demand justice and accountability. But we have to be careful that we don't allow our emotions to cause us to overreach and thing, you know, because there are all kinds of issues out there. Because, for example, unfortunately in Jamaica, you ever notice the instances of domestic violence and crime and whatever this and that is only when them happen to get away hear about them?
Yeah,
You ever notice that?
true.
So you ever notice when me did little bit on a bad and thing and whatever and they are jail and them thing me reach a point where me I say, hold on there. How come only ghetto people and country people they are jail and prison in Jamaica? Right?
So we never hear about now.
No, you know, so no, me just I say, me did a pre that time, me I say, if you follow who get arrested and locked up and incarcerated and thing with the law and all them something there, if you go by that alone, your conclusion would have to be that the only people committing serious crimes in Jamaica is only ghetto people and country people, which you and me know is not true. Which means you have a whole section of the society who get upon them and do all kind of things and whatever, and them get with them something there. So if you come in with certain things and whatever and say, oh, we have to get stricter with this thing and whatever, who ever get it?
That is it.
Who most likely to find, so in some instances it's clear, like this a dirty man here, where rape and kill a little girl. But there are other times when it now goes so clear and people are go quick for punish the people and from ghetto. Unfortunately, Jamaica is a country where a man jump King's house fence and go pick 2 aki and whatever and him end up in a jail and get sentenced.
Really?
You never hear about it?
Hello, me and 90s picnic.
Nah, man, this time about that's about 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago.
Wow.
Right? Jamaica is a country where a woman with brown skin from uptown with certain last name can rob up Mavado $30 million and get away with it.
Wow.
Right? So that's why I say, be careful when I ask for. When me little bit and police hold me certain place, you know how me get her from enough of them sometime? Me speak standard English with an uptown accent. And the police, yeah, laugh. And the police, when they want to beat me and whatever, this and that, not only them don't want to beat me, after that, them want to take care of me. Where you from, where you live, them all want to carry me, go to my yard where I don't live and all them, something there. Because that is the Jamaica we live in. I'm serious. When me did whatever, true me they go Calabar and me they got some. Me know uptown people talk. Me know that boss is standard English there. So when the police they pull me over, I say, excuse me, sir, sorry, I've just got my aunt live up in Barbican and whatever and thing and whatever, and I just went to visit a friend and it just disarmed them. It disarmed them. And it sounds funny, but what I'm saying, it's an indictment against a country and a post-colonial society where a whole set of people get to with all kind of sitting. And then another, when police are kicked down door at Jamaica, you ever hear uptown people door get kicked down?
No, really.
No.
Unless they have real motive to go there.
Right? One white Jamaican man get on traffic ticket. And I seen a police officer go look out for him and thing and a work out. And at the end, the black senior police officer get punished and the white, powerful Jamaican man who did get her from the ticket, I know nothing happened to him.
Wow.
Right? That is the Jamaica we live in. We live in a Jamaica where everybody that plays Alexander Bustamante say, first national era and all these things. But him did order way back in the day, the police them for go kill Rasta on a Good Friday and say kill them. Bring dead or alive, kill them and whatever, this and that and ray. Then kill and beat, when you hear about Bakawal and thing, then beat Rasta, beat whatever black people and so forth and thing. You hear smoke a spliff, you beating them get. When them legalize weed, who you see them get all of the access to? Rich, wealthy, elite Jamaicans, right? So I'm just saying.
The rest of the way 5 feet for years.
And rest of yeah, exactly. So when I say be careful because that the Jamaica nice and thing and whatever, but it's a very hypocritical country, and a lot of people there them talk a whole bunch of smack and whatever. Listen to me. Usain Bolt never get back his money, and all of them people, all right? No, don't laugh. Don't laugh. But somehow not too young for know about one thing where the boss of Jamaica named the Sandals White House scandal and whatever. And a certain person who happened to be white and make a deal with a political party and he end up get back fee money. Mm-hmm. But you see in a fall within the league the way them are gonna make an extra effort for game back. Some of us say we can't get example after example after example.
Like, at least get back a percentage of it.
Right. You know what I'm saying? But no, but I'm saying there isn't even a priority there to make him get back something no time. But anyway, let me see if I can bring in some other people here.
No problem, Roger. I just did really want to comment if you to talk about it because when I stroll through social media, yes, people are talking about it, but I feel like, for instance, a person who saved life, we should have at least focus on
Mm-hmm.
and make see to that the justice is served because so she saved life.
That's what nurses do.
Yes, sir.
Right? Exactly.
Have a good one here, Raga.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Bobo. Yeah, man.
The side man, they not get no treatment with the side woman we get.
Now, who you say I get the better treatment now? Eh?
The side woman who is getting the better treatment. The side man not get none.
Side man now get good treatment.
Not really.
Not really.
Not really. Not really. See, but a man will go all out for a woman.
Oh, but side woman I get good treatment.
Yeah.
Side woman I get, well, how the side woman treatment compared to nowadays in general, in your opinion, how side woman treatment compared to straight up woman treatment? Who I get the better treatment now?
Not in the line of Raga. Yeah, some side woman no Raga will make you sell all the shoes.
No, you know answer a question though. Who you say I get the better treatment?
I'm saying to you that the side woman is getting a better treatment more than how a side man would have get a better treatment in a relationship.
Yes, but I'm asking in comparison to a straight up woman.
The side
If you
woman
don't, if
might
you
get
don't
a
think,
while.
if you don't think the side woman is necessarily get that better treatment than the straight up woman, or the straight up woman necessarily get that better treatment than the side woman, nothing wrong in that. If you think so, it's basically equal or whatever, is that what you think?
I do still feel like, for instance, that the side woman have everything. Because she, remember, so she's a she's a competition in America. But the woman a yard that will go on with herself and make sure. But if you want to road, I will go on harder.
Yeah, but me still need it for just specifically say who you think I get the better treatment. So you're saying that the
just told
side
you, the
woman,
side girl.
the side woman I get the better treatment than straight up woman. That is what you're saying. Okay,
Yes.
interesting. And the reason for that is, give me at least one reason. Give me one
She have a better
example.
winery.
Eh?
She have a better winery.
So you're saying that side woman get the better treatment because
Because
side
the better
woman in
winery.
general have the better winery than the straight up woman?
Mm-hmm. Me not say some wife no go out, you know. And some wife not have it, you know. But me like tell you.
You know, it's funny that you say that because I saw a video and this woman.
I have read.
No. I saw a video and this woman, I mean, she phrased it in a certain way, but essentially she was saying that when she was a wife, right, and she said when she was a wife, she worked harder, she'd have to do more, and things it rough upon her and things like that. And she said, as a side woman, she have more freedom.
Marsha,
Hold
me a
on.
side woman.
Hold on. She have more freedom. When I not talk to me, stop, watch the chat, right? Just talk. So she said, when she's a side woman now, she said she have more freedom. She said she get more money and she live better and whatever. And she said, the only thing is that she have to turn up her game. Our sort out game. She said she have to go harder with our sort out game. So it's funny that you're saying that, you know?
You see, when I was a side chick,
Yeah.
like the boy says skate by your head side, my gun.
As the boy say what?
If you never say skate by your head side, my gun.
Right, so you have more freedom for just tell a boy, go about in business and let go and thing and keep your peace and them look away they are say. Interesting. All right.
But it's the truth, Raga.
No, me hear what you say.
Raga, my spirit down this evening, Raga. Come I just see video before I come up here, Raga. So I tell you the truth. And on the 70s, so you know, I feel Raga.
Yeah, switch up what me do here. All right,
I'm
let
gonna tell you.
let me
tell you, say, and the vibrant 70s, so you know. Cause I just watch the video when you talk about it. I go look for it and I watch it, Raga. I tell them I feel that way.
All right, then, cool. Make me bong somebody. Okay, cool.
All right, cool.
John, whoops. I'm going to write this. Tinkerbell said they have to because that's what they're reduced to. It's an interesting word right there. Reduced. And Mayo says side woman in a competition, so them I go do the most. She say, lie tell me nah do the most as no side woman. Oh. Interesting. Latisha kiss my teeth. Okay. Let's see what's going on.
Raga,
Whoa.
what's up?
I'm there, you know. What going with you?
How everything?
You know, say everything good. I'm fully blessed and thing, man. You know, things up for me. I'm very thankful, you know.
Okay. But that's a big you for go and listen to your program, you know, but I'm not ready to give my drama yet, you know. But just go and watch your analyze everything first.
But what? Nah, I like you for ready. I like you for ready.
No, sir.
I want you for
The
ready.
one I got really hot. But through my kids, them, they want me can't go talk certain things.
Oh, me understand. That me understand.
Yeah, man.
That me understand. Don't
So
say
just big up
another word.
yourself.
Let go, someone, all right?
God blessing and loving, yeah?
Yeah, man. Long time, man. See?
All right, take me off.
Proper.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
All right, right, I'm there at work, so I can't talk too long.
Yeah.
Me have a little drama.
Send on.
I'm from Jamaica.
Yeah.
So I'm going to Jamaica to collect my paper. And me to look a man.
Yeah.
So I have a little one, I'm a straight man.
Yeah,
But
but
make sure I have lunch
you have a
money.
straight man up here.
No, Jamaica.
Jamaica, okay.
Yeah. So you don't know if I look a year, I stuck for about 3 years, so I don't know if I find a little man.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm a little straight man in my work. You make sure my eye right and so.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a little side man, I'm a little boy.
One younger youth, yeah.
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 So I'm want up the boy.
Mm-hmm.
If the boy said jump on a truck back, I jump on a truck back.
You did that feeling.
That's
You catch feelings for him.
Yeah, but the boy ever hungry.
What you
And
mean?
I mean, Carl,
What you mean him ever hungry?
he never have nothing yet.
Him
He
never-
want all 2 taste of party, I call me.
If him want to party, him a call you your side man.
Yes. So that me I tell you.
Hold on. So is a hungry belly side man.
Hungry belly side man.
What are they? No, so hold on. So here is the big question then. What did attract you to him though? There have to be something about him where you say, John,
Boy can make love and sex.
Jesus, and thank you for keep it balanced up and, phrase it the right way. So what you saying, start out, turn up?
Start to turn up, but him ever hungry, him ever need something.
You know what's enough woman say some of them hungry belly boy that them know for put on the well on you know. So what make him start? Not give you no graphic detail. But when did bad pan with him start out? Which part time start out game did up the light?
I think the 4-player, him know for go on with himself.
Or the 4-play part.
Yeah.
So him know how to face up to the matter.
Yeah, man, him can go on with himself, man. I'll treat and wake me up, man. I will sleep and wake up and do things and go on with things and you know, like that.
Then when me I said though, big and serious though, if you know say you get like some sample work on the side from this boy, but if it's a hungry belly boy, what wrong with that if you go and feed him 2 patty and some bull and cheese or probably piece of pear? What?
Me give my bull and milk.
You give him bull and milk? Voila. You give bull and milk?
Raga, I'm come back and find a send for the boy. And that me I tell you.
You do what?
Come back and find and send back for the boy.
No, me don't believe you. I lie you tell upon yourself. Me don't believe you. Me can't believe that.
Lie.
Me can't believe that.
Lie.
Me cannot believe that. No, I refuse to believe that. You have a hungry belly side man and thing where I call you and I beg your patty. Right? I beg your patty. Whatever. I which patty him like? Mother's juicy beef for a tasty. I which one
is it? The right on the road.
The tasty the right on the yeah. And him a call and order. And you send for a hungry belly patty begging side man.
Send for the hungry boy.
A hungry belly patty begging side man. You send for him and carry that come a foreign?
Yeah, man, that watch Mexico, man.
And you can't the two Mexico and thing and then come up and thing. I bet you and him
Yeah.
and you and him did mash up afterward, don't?
5 years last, man.
5 years last, but
Yeah.
so when you bring him up, you did I bring him up for settle down or you did I bring him up for like
No,
just
because I'm sorry for him.
yeah, you do a thing for him and make and bust him and thing or whatever cars and whatever.
Because the money never enough. The money never enough.
The money never enough.
$1,700.
Oh, for do so for him, right?
Yeah.
So you just great and yeah, and thing and but you admit it and I say, listen, the reason why I made it about that little boy up on the side is like he could have walk good and go on with himself, no?
Sure.
Then but it have to be a reason why you like why side and that is the main
But
reason.
all I know,
Yeah.
the story is,
Yeah.
me and the straight man kick off one day,
Yeah.
and the straight man said, done.
Mm-hmm.
Same time, look, man called me.
Mhm.
Say, I say, Rocky, come hang out with me. I said, come.
Mm-hmm.
Whether they are drink and everything.
Yeah, no. You
Sorry,
can't.
so that's
come on.
everything.
Please,
Yeah, but do a good
don't
thing,
use
yeah.
a word over here. Remember me I tell you.
And
man.
then the straight man come and I peep to my window and realize I'm the side man in there. And I bleach from me the whole night. But me I go get up and go church. So I go church Sunday. When me I come out of church, I go Bible class.
Mhm.
I end up me see the straight man and two of my church brother I try to talk to him. Now me him come for war with.
When you come from church, the straight man come for war you.
No, him come at church, I know my church.
So
Him
but,
come there, see the side man there.
hold
I leave
on.
my yard and come at church.
Hold on. When him come and see the side man did it, you mean at your yard, not at church. The side man
I'm
never
a
there at
yard.
church. Okay.
In my yard.
And then when I'm stuck, you go down at church and all these things.
Yeah, but when him come at church, be got a Bible class, I come out now and see him. I'm a church where they attack him down, can come for war with me. So church for them I tell him, so no. Remember, I come to Jamaica to have fun. I come to Jamaica for really married to nobody.
Right.
So when him church where they attack to him now, him see me and pipe me out now, say, no, but shame I embarrassed now, because I tell the church for them everything was going on, you know. So I left him now like 2 hours, I find the next man the next hour. So him tell the church everything.
Yeah.
So them want him for me now. So me look at one brother in me because the man I say I bump a stone at my head.
So you call your brother to come defend it.
Yeah, but I can't get my brother, so I'm afraid to leave church.
Oh, so I'm outside.
man-
Wait for you to take it to you.
Yes. So me say, I'm going to do this now. So I start telling him, say, yo, brother, I love you and and I look at man and so I talk to him.
Mm-hmm.
But him still intend to fight me.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to leave church.
So
I take the church over and next service start.
You stay till church, what?
Over.
Yeah.
A 2 service church of them time like a COVID just come.
Right.
So I have to stay till the next service.
Okay, you couldn't come out and think I'm out there wait for you.
Yeah. So my
uh,
brother come now and start tell my brother so I'm wicked.
Mm-hmm.
And what I do to him and everything. And him start crying. Somebody tell him say when you
What you mean? Him a ball out there?
yeah, him start crying, leaving eye water. Then I get free like a mess up boy want to kill me.
Yeah, you have to be careful when they start ball, you know. But God, them will kill you like on Lifetime movie. But what me I say is, then him tell us him done.
Yeah, but me don't know what him say, but he must say the next 2 hours I'm find my next man. But I know him have the side man long time.
Yeah, so him head a take him. Yeah, you know, see, I mash up him head right there, so I mash up him dog again, you know, cause him thinks when him tell us say done, you know, depressed, you gonna get depressed and down and whatever. And all him sees that you say, hey, you done, bye. And you just call for another instrument and thing and start get busy. I mash up him head, you know. I'm ego, you know. I'm eager, man. I take it to him right there, some man. Mash up him head wicked, man. You see it?
That's what the question is. Sometimes the side man can break her hungry, but them still get the good life. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to work at Amazon, me there.
Yeah,
Bye.
man. All right, big up yourself, yeah? All
Yeah.
right. Yo, I mash up your dog, get it? I mash up. Hold on. You don't know me, I going to do this now. If you're over here and you're not follow me right now. Follow me right now. Make I see it. Yeah, man, no fun over here and not follow me. Follow me right now. Follow me right now. If you not follow me yet, follow me right now. Do it right now. Let me see. Okay. Do it right now. Yup. Let's go. Yeah, man. Me don't tell you that's the only thing I can ask you. No, come over here and not follow me. Okay? If you're not following Ragashanti yet over here on TikTok, do it right now. Alright? Follow me right now. Okay. I mash up. Hey, you know that ego thing that with man and that's all if we do like mass raga, man. Terry Strawberry, big up in a summer large up Empress and the whole crew. My son, no say a word, alright? When if we do like raga. The only time you can go take show off and all I look at hype for say a year or something of this is when you're in it, right? When you're in it, you can act like a temporary owner because all them time that you still not own it. Because enough of a man don't even know. So sometimes when you not sort out, I wanna get what uno thinks is the wickedest sort out you not get from the woman. I pity you no know say fear mind is somewhere else and pan another man. Woman bad pan that more than man. Let me say that again. Woman is using the mind when it come to them type of intimacy there. Woman bad pan that more than man. Woman cannot work with a man by choice because she know why she do it. But her mind can be somewhere else for enjoy it or for make you enjoy it. Her mind can depend on another man. A woman can look on her face where I do so to her and change the face that in a somebody else. A man cannot do so and so to a woman and she just imagine when a such man I do such and such where she like and all these things. Remember me telling a woman bad pan that more than man. So you see the woman, you see it? Facts. Tell them. You see what the woman them say? Facts. Tell them. Watch it. True. A true. For real. Brrr. See them know what I talk about. So no found the man out there chat about to the guy telling a friend about to the mash up the thing and whatever. And when Junior gonna tell him friend them how him deal with the thing wicked and how she did such and such and him deal with it wicked. I pity him never know say when him a start out him was Junior. In a fear mind. Him was Patrick. Right? Him was a Junior, him was Patrick. Right? Not only that, he probably is all a man where she don't even know him right name. Him could have named Juba. Or something like so. That me I tell you here. So hear me I say, the only time on your own, can take shoe off and say, oh, for something, this is whatever, is when you're in at the living room. When you're in our living room, at that time you can say, oh, so and slant it so, turn it so, push it up so for touch it, G. Clear. All right, you know what I talk about, right? Yeah, you don't know that time, they don't know that style, they don't dip on the hip and pint it up for it that spot, then why, don't it? And then they can say, oh, for something like this. Yeah. Once you come out, it's not fun anymore. You could have married look more, 10, 20 years and whatever. Man can't burn like woman. Man cannot hold on things like woman. Man not crafty like woman. Not there. Some man good, some man bad. But overall, never good like woman. So we just accept that and done. I want to hear me say it all the while. If man can just understand that, you would get mad and all them something, they're not kill off the people, them girl pitney and all them thing, they're not losing the mind over all them thing and whatever. You hear me I say? All right. We could bring in somebody else here now. Right, this is sitting here full up. Let's see what I go on here. Hello.
Hi, afternoon.
Hello. Yeah.
Big up yourself, Raga.
Me there, man. Where you say?
Me there.
Seeing? Talk to me.
So as to that topic here,
Yeah.
I feel like in a real life speaking from experience,
Yeah.
side woman carry swing all the way. You know why?
Why?
When the woman them a yard stress out the man them, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
The man them find the side girl them,
Mm-hmm.
or woman or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
See me?
Mm-hmm.
And then defrost in a them the woman there. So whatever go on a yard,
What? Oh, you said them? The man them defrost in the side woman them.
yeah.
Okay. So you say, and whatever go on a yard, what happen? Hello?
You know what me I say?
Yeah.
The man find comfort to tell her things.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
So
No,
when,
no.
so when you say you know
Alright.
from experience and thing, you know what it is, what you got through as a straight up woman, and you know what you did got through when you choose, or if you want choice, your one choice, if you kind of like work with that thing, and it's like, you know what you did, I get outside. So yes, basically,
Yeah man, me aside.
yeah,
Me aside girl.
your side girl right
Me
now,
aside girl.
your side girl right,
Right
now,
now.
right now.
Right now.
Right now,
Yeah.
you're a side girl. And are you happy?
Right now.
Are you happier now as a side girl than when you were straight up woman?
Tell her to me happy,
You happier?
Happier.
What?
Let me tell her why.
Why? Tell me why. Yeah.
Let me tell her why.
Mm.
Alright. You have to go on time. You see me? But washing, cooking, cleaning, that's not my job.
I know your job, that.
My job I to make him happy. So in a areas where that the woman they are stress him, me relieve his stress.
You relieve the stress.
You see me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
and that me do.
But tell me something. What you do when you get lonely, do? And you never get lonely yet, and would want him there around you and thing, and him not there.
I mean I like how rain a fall now.
Jesus have mercy. Rain and fall respond you there right now, don't.
Right now me don't west ya.
Don't
Rain and fall.
pan the where the Westmoreland and Hanover, what? Where you there?
Westmoreland man.
Westmoreland right now, rain and fall right now, and you that just love for y'all hug him one body and all them something you don't.
All of them summer.
Okay.
But you know what happen?
What happen?
Me know me place, me know me time.
Oh.
I know my time, I know.
Okay, so as a side person, side man and side woman, them fi know them time and don't
Them
want
know.
to pass them time, don't it?
Right. And that's how it works.
And if them have feelings and thing outside of them time, them have to discipline themselves and hold it, don't
Exactly.
it? Okay, and don't
Exactly.
violate, don't.
No, don't violate.
Okay.
Because no violate what go on. It's when I make you the man head hot him.
Yeah.
Or the woman head a yard hot him.
Yeah.
You can't alright. Everything I go cut.
Everything I
Is
got,
it?
yeah. And when you say everything I got cut, I mean your side woman, but him have to make sure, him have to take care of you certain way you don't. Him have to send answer.
Yeah man.
Okay, and treat you
Yeah,
good
man.
and make sure say certain things get take care of and all them things.
But
that
then you have to treat him good, you know.
yeah, yeah,
So you see all, you know, saying work.
yeah.
You know, man likes some liquor things. You better have some juice for him.
Mm,
You
yeah,
know.
yeah,
When he come, you're rubbing foot feet.
yeah,
You see me?
yeah, yeah.
Sometimes I think all about sex and them the way that
Right.
just how you treat them.
Oh, you treat
And you
him.
know to knock them for money.
Okay.
You make them give you money willingly, brother.
See, they have to know how to govern your thing where you don't even have to
Yeah.
ask for it. It just come
Yeah.
to you, don't it?
It just come to you.
See,
Make a
that-
man feel like saying I love money.
Yeah.
You can give you 5 grand, send a guy shop, give him back in change.
Don't cause some woman hear that you know so them get them turn idiot. Cause you have some woman not give back change, you know. And
No,
know,
brother,
and
give
them don't
back
even know
the
say
man
a
change,
someone
man.
test them, a someone test them when them not give back
Yeah.
change. No.
Yeah.
So tell me
Yeah.
something, you know, as a side woman, when it come to what you say the most important thing him get from you as a side woman.
He get me respect.
The most
That's the
important
most
thing him get from
important
you
thing.
as a side woman is respect.
respect because me not call human a yard. Me not trouble this up.
Yeah.
You see me? So
Yeah.
that's the most he get from the most he get from me.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And
Respect.
from in woman a yard alright.
Yeah.
Me very, 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 very alright.
So you are one of them woman. One time a woman call and show and she say, no man, as a good side woman, you know, you have to remind him to buy this and that for him woman birthday. You have to remind him
do
to do
that
you do
too.
them something that don't.
Me do that too.
You do that. Listen to me, man. So you do that too. You make sure same take care of woman and you don't.
Me make sure say the woman alright. Yeah?
And this is what the woman did say when she called in. She said, Raga, the reason why that is important, you know. She said, once you make sure the woman up there say, all right, you know.
You alright.
Well, on. She said,
Alright.
that woman will have no reason for come look for me.
No. I'm show you a pray too.
Yeah.
You see, as a real side girl,
Yeah.
me don't know about nobody, but me know about myself, you know.
What?
Me faithful to the boy, you know.
Okay. So you're not, so as a side woman, you're not born the man. You're not born the man.
No.
Who, okay.
No.
Okay.
That not fi go on.
That not for go on.
No.
Okay, so a good side woman don't born the man who a born him wife with she, right? Right? That is what a good side woman do, right?
That is a good side. That is a
Okay,
good
okay.
side, woman.
Tell me something. As a side woman, you ever I feel like in terms of side to do some things where you never think say you that want to do, but as a side woman, you end up have to do it, aren't you?
I mean, man.
For real?
All the time.
That-
Boy having
keep it clean.
boy having kids.
Yeah.
Like you know,
Yeah.
woman, you have a daughter, you have a pitney them.
Mm-hmm.
I shop for them. Shop for him and pitney them too. I never know say me would they do them this and there. And
Oh.
they make him man fall in love.
Oh, so when you shop for your picnic, you shop for fiend picnic them too.
Shop for everybody, all the woman too.
All them woman to you shop. Listen to me, lie at them. Lie at them. Lie at them.
Right now, me house full up about her body works and everything. She eat everything. Sell man that to that woman.
You do
she
what?
go up on bed.
You what?
Bath and body works, go up on body. What do you Raga?
No, what you say? What you do with the bar? What you say? When you shop for yourself, you shop for all female woman too. Him straight up woman.
I mean.
And what you do? You give him the things them for care go give her like a him buy it.
Me give me 10 but must give me a money. So basically I sell it for you woman. Not really matter.
Well, I remember understand that. What you do? You sell him at a profit?
I mean,
what you mean? You get the Bath and Body Works and then you sell him at a profit and tell him carry go give him, oh man.
I mean,
you know what
I'm sell him panty, me sell him bag, me sell him everything, Raga. I like good things them.
What you mean you sell him? Him pay you for them? And
I'm like, pay me for them and tell the woman and tell the woman say him buy from somebody downtown.
Okay. But what me did really ask you do, I think you never really hear me. Me I say, sometimes the side woman them say, you know, when it comes to sort out, them end up after do certain things where them wouldn't want to, but them just do it, you know. You ever find yourself in that position? Eh?
No, you know.
No, okay, that's fine. No. Say nothing more and thing.
Everything I do willingly.
All right, so the last thing before you go, how long you think you're going to stay in this now?
Why me I tell her say, as long as the woman don't know, you know.
Well, yeah, this situation where you're in, where you say you are the side woman, or let me use your term, you say you're a side girl. This situation where you're in now, and you say you're not even a bond man, and whatever, you're not going to do it. You see yourself, if it's up to you, for just stay in that position and for the rest of your life with him like that?
Yeah, man, for me comfortable.
Okay. So how long now?
Mind over matter.
Mind over matter.
Mind over matter. And you can't make your front basically control. You see me?
Yeah, okay.
Remember say, and then we're small and then say full up the big air. Better keep yourself circumspect.
Okay. And about a run go look now. So
And nobody around gonna look nobody.
So you don't want a whole man for yourself right now.
Too much responsibility.
Too much responsibility. Okay. That is
Yeah.
interesting. That is interesting. You don't want a whole man.
And then matter of fact, a whole man for myself. It better me be the one know about you and them. Me don't want nobody have me and know about me. Me want be one know.
That is
So me not think no man out there had no one woman. They could have want marry some more. You understand?
You don't think so any man out there have one woman and one woman
No,
only?
brother. No.
No,
You have
no.
one woman, Raga?
You don't think so any man out there have one woman?
Raga, you have one woman?
Who? Me
You.
talk to you, man. Are you me ask a
Well,
question?
me tell you already. Me not see no man out there where have one woman.
No, but that's how you nah, man. You have only man out there, man. Have them
No,
one,
brother.
them have them one woman and them nah go around the thing and whatever this and that. You have
No,
whole
no.
man out there like that, man. No, man. Yeah, listen, you have man out there love woman, you know, are just at a stage of them life where them not, you know, running up and down and you know, them have certain focus in them life where them not want no distraction. Or
Raga, this is
hold on.
2025.
Our man out there who just love a woman, just love her holistically, wholesome and thing, and him just fully satisfied with him woman. I'm very thankful for the woman, for the personality where she have and everything about her, and just not have no need for go out there.
Me not tell you no lie, you know.
Yeah.
Me have to see that the man there first, you know.
No,
And me I tell her say, me a girl when me been through a lot.
yeah.
And me I tell her, yeah.
Nah, man, enough man out there now, whatever, because I even have one saying I go around right now, you know, say, if you really think about it, Jamaican men don't cheat.
I lie. I lie. I lie, Raga. No, I'm not real, brother.
Oh, is it that right? Hold on. Question. Who cheat more? Jamaican men or Jamaican women? Who cheat more?
Why me can't even answer, you know. But me know say man them cheat.
The man them cheat. You know, so the
Yeah.
man them cheat. So you know, so the
Yeah.
woman them cheat.
The man them cheat. But Raga, but me I speak for myself. So me not too cheaty.
You know, too cheat, yeah, I think.
No.
Well, all right, but again, with respect to the question is, nowadays, 2025, right? Who will live the better life? The side man and side woman them, or the straight up man and straight up woman them? And you say right now, side woman life is a better life than the straight up woman life, because the side woman, she have less responsibilities. We're going to give her stress.
Yeah.
All right then. So as long as she get what she want and think she good with less
Big up
stress.
yourself, Raga.
All right. Big up yourself and big up Westmoreland and the whole works over there, you know. Yeah.
All right, Tambourine.
Long time. All right then. Cool. Well, she make her argument, you know. I know she no found and I go to agree with it and thing, but you know it go. That's what she there. You understand? And she talk and I hold her order right there. So you see it. All right then. Well, crazy people and requests are coming and things. So make we hear what go on yes you know. In a 90. Wait, how long am I there? You know? I look over. Oh, all right then. Nah, all deep on it tonight, you know. Yeah, one night, about 10:30, 11. Then go so late, you know. Okay, if you're over here and you're not 992 people, so, you know, almost 1,000, follow me. If you're not following me, follow me right now, please. All right? Follow me right now. If you're over here watch the show and you're not follow me yet, I need you to follow me right now. All right? Follow me right now. Right now. Let me just give you a second for follow me. Right? If you know over here, I want to now follow Ragashanti yet. Follow me right now. All right? Make it happen. Jimmy Q, my little brother, moderator. See you, Papa. All right? Saying, follow me right now. Let me just do a second to make sure so you follow me. All right? Make it happen. Hear me? Go about your business, man, and make me run my show. Yeah? On top of the foolishness. Right? Let me run my show, man. I'm troublemaker. Right? I mean, ask a question them around here. When I'm going about in the business, man. Yeah? And just go. Alright, let's see what we're there now. Go over here and see who is our there. Hello. Hello. Ah, that person there gone. Hello. 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 And somebody did it. And them come in and them not answer, you know. Hello. Alright. To our next person, you know. Hello?
Raga, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you.
Hi. How are you?
Eh?
May I say, how are you?
I'm a good man.
Yes, I'm gonna tell you now. I feel like
Alright, hold on. Are you on earpiece, Bluetooth, or speakerphone?
I am not on nothing.
Yeah, but your voice I go in and out, so I'm gonna speak directly in the phone here. Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, go in and out. I don't know, probably your internet,
All right, I'm gonna drive, so make it stay.
Yeah, drive?
Yeah.
Alright, go and talk now, make us see how it go.
All right, so may I say, you still a play up quick.
No, I think she should drive, so, we lost her there, Yeah, sometimes people them a drive and, thing I go in and out and all these things.
Raga,
You
all right.
you
A long
them
time
connection are solid
Raga.
and clear and whatever. Talk to me.
Mr. Raga,
Yeah.
I have this story what my friend tell me about long time ago,
Yeah.
So one evening she got with her friend. But it's like the baby father come home early from work one evening and want a sort out. So she and the baby father,
You have to keep it clean, right?
yes,
Okay,
man.
go on talk.
So she and the baby father reaching at the shower, He decides to do a backers. Anyway, when the baby father and I shower, she had do a thing. When he
Careful.
look at the baby father, now they behind him. The baby father, they are growing in the bathroom. Me don't know if I sweet him so much or what.
Eh.
But the man up on the floor,
When him to pass out?
pass out. She have to jump out of the shower and rush for the alcohol and wash him now.
She have to jump out of the shower and rush go get some alcohol and wash him face with it now.
Wash his face with them side. I don't know if I sweet him or what. When he come round, I ask the baby father, so what happened to you? Him tell me, say, because he just take off the working shoes and go in a shower. So the heat making him pass out.
No, nothing for doing in working shoes, man. But you see that same hot water something they would not for, particularly if your bathroom, because some bathroom more enclosed. So, the hot water is, listen to me, listen to Mass Raga right now. When I not sort out in a bathroom, careful with the hot water something there. Because one, if you're not dehydrated, because a lot of time people, a lot of people when them dehydrated and don't know them dehydrated,
Okay.
Right? Dehydration can be a subtle thing. And if something where you just feel in your throat and say you're thirsty. You can be dehydrated and you don't even know you're dehydrated. And then if you're dehydrated, and then you can have other factors to believe it or not, even stress or whatever and all them something there. But for example, say you don't even eat too much in the day and whatever and them thing there, whatever. You see that something there with the hot water there, with the intensity of sort out, and it reach a mind where you get all a good pop off and the blood running in your head and whatever. And them something there. Listen to me, man. You
So
have
the
to,
man
yeah,
broke.
yeah, man. Worse if she did that boom it off, wicked to and whatever. You have to be careful. I collapse in the bathroom and die treatment. Sorry. No, but no even go what it. No, man, you have to be careful or whatever. So when she said on the backers and thing, and when she look on, she say, "Why him there?" When she looking flat up on the ground, down.
Same way.
Poopa
Was
Jesus.
something else that I love.
So when she said she give him typical
So
Jamaican.
rush for the alcohol and wash him up, man.
And wash him up, but I hope she give look water to and them sitting there, you know, because sometimes Jamaican them certain things reach them and where I got old school, you know, run and get all dirty smelly sneakers I put over people's nose and I know say you can't treat them one different way. You understand? So it did really kind of scare her though, no?
Yeah.
Nah, man, you have to be careful with that something, man. Worse if, like, you know, let me tell you something. When enough man not really admit to woman. You see, like when you're in a bathroom, I have read, right? Me read. I read a lot. So I have read that when you're in a bathroom too and you have work, you know, you see, true, you can't slip and slide. You end up at 10 and strain your foot certain way, in order to stay firm and steady, you know. Worse if the woman goes so boom, 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 and I send her back. You spend so much energy just to stay stable and things like that you never know that thing that can creep up on you, man. You know, worse when you go so and leg of the strength and all them something there and whatever. Yeah. You have to be careful, man. Wanna drink enough water before you go to the bathroom, start out in a hot water. You know that good. You just laugh, it's sweet. You all know, you remember when she tell you and it's sweet.
Yes, I forget to tell you that.
But one thing I have to ask you before you leave.
Yeah.
I really it did happen to and you tell me saying your friend talk it through. What? You know something? Me know you fire. Tell me say you never mind me. I say I bet your shit I'm too. Me I say to myself, you know, because the way you talk about it, you know, because long time I do this, me say I bet your shit I'm too. I she did I fling it back for the general, you know. I make the general faint, you know. Hey, you see how me figure out the part they do, and that me I tell you. Why? You don't have to answer. You laugh alone, answer it. You laugh alone, answer it. Leave it right there. So, all right, man. Cool.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah, man. People, me know she, you know. Me know she, you know, what me I say, me nah, while I run make she finish, you know, because me I wait for a safe moment for ask her, you know. Me know she have to, you know. Jado. All right, follow me if you're over here watch the show. Follow me, you know, follow me yet. Follow me. No, but I want you to know, it's enough time people call in and them say, I have one friend, 99% of the time, even if I feel sad them, I don't go there. You have to make people feel safe when them call in and make them lead. And sometimes when them lead on us, you just follow, right? So don't believe I'm going to call out people every time. But just get a sense, you know, I could have just asked her, you know. And then the way she laugh and whatever, right away you know what is what. And she was so cute with it too. You hear her look a cute laugh. Yeah, go see how she run. For the well, when she say alcohol. In a Jamaica, it was always beer rum. Why Jamaicans always use beer rum? Like beer rum is a big thing in a Jamaica, you know. Old school. Anyway, good night. Hello?
Hey, brother.
Yeah, wagwan.
My day, boy, the first time in my life me talking to you.
All right.
Here.
Yeah, man. See it?
You have been on here for the longest while.
Yeah.
But here's my question now.
Yeah.
When you first came on here, you had a competitor, another talk show host like you, who was just as brilliant and popular. But I can't remember his name.
Baba Tunde.
Ah, yeah, man. Thank you, man.
No, I knew exactly who you referred to. May his soul rest in peace. May his soul rest in
What I'm
peace.
doing, Pastor?
Yes, he transitioned, you know.
Oh, my Lord. Oh,
Yeah,
my Lord.
man. I'm a
Years and
virgin
years,
and
but I
thing.
remember his name, you know.
Yeah, man. Baba Tunde, man. Indeed, you have people who confuse us, you know. Them call me Baba Tunde and call him Ragashanti. See? Blessings,
All right, my
man.
boss. That's all I do want. But I don't keep you by the ear.
That's all right, man. Blessings, man. Glad I was able to provide that
Blessings to you and
clarification.
take care. Blessings to you and
Glad
take
I was
care.
able to provide a clarification for you. All right. All right. Good, good.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you.
Jimmy said, use pass away, don't use transition. Jimmy have a point, you know. Unfortunately, the word transition has been appropriated to just be in one particular channel, which it shouldn't be, but that's the day and age we're living right now. Once people hear the word trans anything, it's like it trigger. You're right, you know, Jimmy. You're right. Use passed away. Don't use transition because we don't want no confusion, you know? We don't want no confusion. You see it. Okay, again, if you're over here, follow me. If you're not follow Ragashanti yet, make sure say yeah, follow me right, you know. See? Okay, I'm going to take up our next link, you know. Again, people, I'm not stay at 11 o'clock tonight, you know, I'm telling you from now. Yeah. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Yeah.
Wild.
Eh? Eh? What?
It's been a while since
No, speak directly in the phone. Yeah, speak directly in the phone. Yeah.
I said it's been a while since I hear because I always listen to you.
Right. We're hardly hearing you. You know, you're going in and out. You know.
So I have a look at you on Mixup too.
You want earpiece or speakerphone or something?
No.
Yeah, but your voice sounds very muffled.
The phone is on speakers, yes.
But if it's on speaker, you have to be careful to keep it like close to your mouth so we hear you right through, okay?
Okay.
Are we hearing you good now? Keep it right this up. Keep it right this on your mouth, right this, okay?
Let's say, Raga.
Yeah.
I talk to this man, but man nice and alright,
Yeah.
but me as a bartender, I used to work as a bartender, so man have a friend, man say,
Hold on.
guys,
Hold on. Are you listening back yourself on something?
no.
Okay. All right. Go on. So, yeah. So you were a
Oh
bartender.
my God. Yes, so me here talk to the man said to me, say, yo, the woman bartender, say, you can come here 2 weeks or 1 week. Man see me like me have see me I say yo and then my girl up this time and on. So I'm not really penny hit or anything. One day the man come right from my check stock. Man say come here, come look at something here for me now. I say what the hell that man you know?
Hold on. The man him say you must come look on what? Come look on something for him.
Yes, if I try to fix something and if I use him head. So me didn't know what I say no. Just bend down, man. Just bend down and look if it's set properly. And me
No,
say,
why
yeah,
am I tell if you bend down and look on if it was set properly?
no, it's like it might fix like the board under the fridge. The
Yeah.
fridge, like it is like one pallet, but it's a board. Then I say, look if it's set good, man. So me say, yeah, set good, man. I say, alright. So me I walk with me and throw it on the fridge.
When you walk with him, grab a pan and throw it upon the fridge.
Yes.
All right. Keep it clean.
Mm-hmm. So me don't have a little tight just short.
Well, you have to talk directly in the phone in a boo because your voice keep on a going, man. So, yeah.
So my have this little
Right
short
there, so.
dress.
No move from there, so.
My have that short dress and my man just grab me and throw me on the fridge.
Keep it clean, here.
So spread the legs and you know
No,
what come
well,
after.
no, don't go in no graphic. Just tell me, remember, you have to, don't go in anything graphic.
Yeah.
But him fling upon the fridge and then, wow.
Things start happen.
Things start happening. That the time you still against the fridge?
Pan top of the fridge me there.
What you mean pan top of the fridge? Then how big was the fridge?
It's a deep freeze.
Oh, deep freeze. Okay, deep. Then you know if it's a freezer. All right. So have you on top of the freezer now, and things start happening, and you're there on top of the freezer, right?
Yes.
Yes, and things are happening now. What? And yeah, go and talk now.
So the man, I said, no man, I this is something you have.
And that the man said to you?
Yeah.
Backside, remember, keep it clean. So yeah, so what that when him in the living room now, him said, then this is sitting here, you have and thing, don't it?
Yeah.
Right, and then what?
Then he moving fierce.
Hold on. Oh, so all that time when you say whatever, him did a face up to the matter, him never face up to the matter, him did a face up to the matter, right?
Yes.
Okay. So when him fling up on the fridge first time, him going at the spa and did I get a facial?
That is right.
That is, listen to me now, man. What are they? All right. So in the middle of the facial now, what go on?
Sunday, he's something I said, no man, there is something you have.
Keep it clean. Okay, go on.
Somebody said, me last word, me I try to just revive back myself and say, oh, there is something of your grand, you're the boss. But normally, go back in the heat and get a facial.
Him go back to get more facial, don't it? Him gone back in the spa. Okay, so he went back in the spa to get more facial. Okay, clean out him pores. Okay, right. And then
come out and don't really facial, no, I just start waist up to it.
And then him and start waist up to the matter and thing and whatever.
When he start waist up to it, normally he just something I wonder when he just like I was just
what's the point of the mix-up, though?
the point of the mix-up, what I'm saying. Him come quick.
Okay. Oh, all right. Okay, good. Okay. All right then. Quick o'clock, him go so bam, 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 bam. All right. So after that done now. So what happened after that? After him finish and it was so quick. Like what happened after that?
What happened after that? No, me left and go home now. When me left and go home now, my man no. Me I tell my man about the situation, but me no put me.
You tell your man about the situation?
Me as the person who puts somebody else.
Okay.
Like me I tell him what happened to me at work, but I put me, say I'm me.
Oh,
Me I say, yo, my friend tell me say this happened to.
oh, so
So me I tell him and he must say, yo, I tell me go on. I didn't know say me I do it.
I don't know how you are doing. I know him no know, don't.
I know you don't know.
Okay, he may still talk to right now?
Yes.
All right then. All right. Hold it down and but me know say now I go leave you do, all right?
That's a years that no.
A years, a long time, something. All right, then, cool. You think you're easy. So tell me something I know. So that after that look a freezer thing that it go down, you want him to do so again? After that? Yeah. Was it as good? Eh? What you say? What you say what? All the while. When did do it after that, no? Okay. And then what you did, what else you did I get from him? What him did I look out for you?
Everywhere.
In every way, what him doing? What, send on funds or what?
Financially, everything that you think of.
Okay, good. So you and him did that juggle for a while and you're the boss, no? Okay, cool. And all that time, you know, your man at the time, him never know how to pick up nothing or know what go.
No, I never because him always thing.
Him always was talking on phone, man, eh?
Him always because he's a racer, him race always 6 years, all of them stuff. So he never really have time.
Oh, so him always out there race car and them thing there and whatever. And when him out there race car, the boss a drive up in up in him garage and him no know, don't?
That is right.
That is right. Okay. All right then. Blessings. Thanks for sharing that one there, yeah?
All right.
Yeah, man, cool. Okay then, the freezer. Okay, if you're over here, you now follow me right now. Follow me right. The Here Gallery, big up yourself. Big up yourself. All of my Canada link, then big up on yourself. You know, I know everybody always a big up T-Dot. Right? I want to say Toronto and its metropolitan area. But yo, big up the Ontario people here, but big up the Ottawa, big up on yourself, Montreal people and thing, big up on yourself. Yeah, big up BC, British Columbia and thing, over the Vancouver side and thing, large up on yourself, everything is everything. All Canada linky, big up on yourself, yeah. And everybody who I watch right now, anyone of them in the world, large up on yourself, you know. You see that the Alchemist say UK in the house. Yeah. All right, my son. All I want to listen from Jamaica, large up. Anyone there in Jamaica, big up on yourself, you know. I don't know, say, Mr. Wash Belly, say love and respect to the whole town, right? One TamFam, right? You know that my thing. TamFam, see the Michigan in the place, Cali in the place and thing, yeah? One TamFam, Tambourine family for a long time until now. And someone did send message to ask about Ragabash later. Yes, we're having a Ragabash this year. Okay? A resurgence. All right? So look out for Ragabash in September. Big Ragashanti party. I want this one to be elegance and class. Right? So it's going to be a dress-up affair, but you don't know the style. We're going to enjoy ourselves. And of course, it's going to be in New York. So I just want to go and line up on the lineup from now. Line up on the cell from now. All right? And I don't know. Right? Ragabash this September. You know, a birthday party and all these things and whatever. Andrew Pang. Yeah. Big up. Sexy Mitzi, aka Baby Girl. Oh, and Sexy Mitzi, no. Them for know. Yeah. CBS ANC will be there. Big up ANC and the SDC. Some of them probably what. It's a TamFam thing. You understand? So line up on yourself for Raga party in September. Right? Connecticut, me want to know Dede. Massachusetts, you have to be there. Of course, New York, una have to dead Jersey, una have to dead. Big up all over fly up from Atlanta, Georgia, and of course, Florida, particular in the Fort Lauderdale area and thing. The phone who listen from down there and always come Ragabash and thing. Delaware, Maryland, and all them ends the tune and those come up in the thing, see? Yeah. But soon, Red Ras 13, but soon I could know the date, man. Don't worry yourself, all right? I know that soon. I just want them just know from now. So this year, Ragabash, I go on, my party. When I just come out and on a splendiferous outfits and all these things. I don't know, my thing a grown and sexy thing, see? Grown and sexy party and thing. Right? So DJ Chris Cross I go play. Right? Jimmy Q, big up yourself, Brown Boss, big up yourself, Glamour Wayne and things, see? KG, come in, man. Me see I'm bringing in, man. Don't worry yourself. In the meantime, I'm actually bringing somebody else here, so now. Red Ross, yeah. Red Ross, if you come, I'm happy. If you come, big up my London link them, you know. Big up my London link them. Big up my London link them. Big up my family them in London. Janet Benbow, Shabba, Red Ross, you don't know. Friend for life, not change. Yeah. And I type somebody, I say, yo, so you fly go over London just for look for your friend. I say, I fly out just for look for friend or whatever. But you fly go London for listen, you go look for your three friend. And I say, oh, you mean? Yeah. Janet Benbow, big up yourself. Shabba, large up yourself. Red Ross, big up on yourself. You know, say real things lock and seal. Yeah, I'm due for job over there too, don't think. Anyway, hello. That person then answer. We'll go to somebody else. Boom. So the question is, who will live the better life right now? The side man and side woman them, or the straight up man and straight up woman them? Who will live the better life in a 2025, you know? Hello. Greetings. Pandy Rock, I see you know, big up yourself, Pandy Rock, or Rocky. Pandy Rock, a two name I give you, know, Pandy Rock or Rocky. You don't call her anyone you don't want to call her, all right? Oh, wait there. Okay, here we go. Oh, KG, I soon bring in. Don't worry, sir, I soon bring in. Here we go. Let me see if this person. Hello?
Good night, Raga.
Oh, what's up? Good night. Yeah?
Or go on.
You know, some day I give thanks, feeling blessed.
First time calling.
All right. Welcome to the family as usual. No, yeah.
Raga, you know, most of the side chick them a live better life nowadays.
Explain that to me. Why you mean how the side chick them a live better life? Tell me how that go.
Raga, me ignorant for the wife. Some of the wife them you see when I take care of the man home, I make the man.
So hold on. Are the wife them fall then? Make the side chick them a live
Make
better
the man
life?
have to come and the side chick them.
So you say you're ignorant them for the wife because of them not take the man, make the man them affair come take you as like a side chick and thing. What the wife them now do? Eh?
Boy, I mean, I know what some of them not do in a Raga, but them not do them work.
Yeah, but what you are do what them not do? When time the man them go to the side chick them, what them I get from the side chick them, what them not get from the wife? Eh?
Raga, if the man tell you go pay your egg top, you go pay your egg top.
Right?
If the man tell you say turn your foot up in the air and one down, you do it. I'ma make you comfortable.
Right. If him say 1 foot up and 1 foot down. Yeah. The wife them, some of the wife them not do it. Right there so. So you see.
Some of the wife them too lazy, man.
Them too lazy down. What, with the sort out?
Yeah.
What you said to me, I know. So
they're lazy.
So would you say that is one of the main reasons why the man them a draw for the side chick them, because they might get the better sort out from the side chick them than from them wife? Eh?
That is the main one, and the second one then annoying.
Them annoying?
The main one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. And when they come by, we pamper them, we relax them.
Oh, you treat them better than the wife treat them? Well,
we have to treat them good.
Well, you're not float.
Treat them now, we send them back home to the wife,
All right, well, it look like you listen something or do something, because when I talk to you, answer me right away, you pause and thing, I don't know. You hear me good?
Yeah. Me I hear you clear.
Okay, make sure say you're not listen something here. But what I'm saying is, make we get serious with this. A lot of wives say that is nonsense. A lot of wives say them go up on head top, them do everything imaginable. And no care how them go all out for them husband and all out for them man. Them say man still greedy and take them for granted when them do everything for them and still go out there. So there are a lot of women who argue that it's nonsense when woman on the side say, oh, because the wife them now do nothing, because the wives are saying, no. On the contrary, we do everything to the point where the man start take for granted. What you say to that? What is your response to that?
That is true.
So then probably I know the woman them fault them, probably them are just the man them.
Real talk.
Yeah, probably I just saw the man them tan then. If a man a go born, him a go born. No care what the woman do. Right? That's so. Eh?
Remember in a Raga, a man would always be a man in a man a dog in a no care what you do now.
You say all man a dog? Eh? You know, so you not answer me right away when I talk.
Right, that's right, the Raga, right, that's
all man a dog. Jimmy Q, the caller say you're a dog. All right then. No, but.
All right, Jimmy Q, alive, we never call him.
No. But what I'm saying is, probably it's not so much an issue like what the woman a do or what she not do. But probably I just saw the man them stay, you know, not care. A woman could have do the world for him and clean the place from top to bottom every day. Go up on head top, go up on the side of her head, crick her neck when she has send it on film and all this thing. And she could have do all of that same way. If the man a go born, him a go born.
But Raga real talk here because of the same thing. We do everything for my husband and he still go out there.
See it there. So probably the man them just greedy, don't?
Yep. Yes.
All right, then respect for your input and thing, all right? All right?
Yeah, man, blessings.
Blessings, man, cool. Okay. Well, you know, you have some man that can't tame. Hello, good night, what's up?
Hi, Raga.
Hey.
All right, so I'm not going to stay long because I'm currently outside my husband's office.
All right.
But on Thursday's topic, you remember the topic?
Is it, tell us something I know your ex don't know say you do? Is that the topic?
The wickedest thing you ever did to your ex?
Yeah.
That he's not aware of?
That he's not aware of, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so my story is...
Yeah.
I turned my ex into his boss's baby father.
But you do what?
I turned my ex into his boss baby mother. Baby father, sorry. So his boss is now his baby mother.
Well on. No, so you know are the baby mother for your ex's boss?
No, my ex's boss is now my ex's baby mother.
But I thought you said what the wickedest thing you do to him.
Yeah, turn him boss and I'm baby mother.
Explain what you mean.
All right, so Raga, a couple years ago, I was dating this guy.
Yeah.
He had his boss. Let me just be honest. He is a police officer, was assigned to the protective services branch.
Right.
And he had a boss that he had to transport all around the place. However, he became involved with her. And I found out.
How you find out?
Yeah. So he denied it. He has always denied it. So I decided to set a trap.
Right.
So what I actually did was to pierce his condoms.
Oh, you
So
pin him
when him and
condom.
him,
Yeah.
yes, Raga.
No, so just so
So when
people
he and
know,
his
you use
boss
a pin.
actually
Well, you use a pin and you just pierce the condom and things so him no look.
pierce all of them,
Ah,
every single one of them. The one them in him wallet, the one them in him card, the one them in him drawer, everything.
poopa Jesus. Yeah, and thing. And then what happened after that?
So naturally, him always tell me say, oh, his boss have a conference, a weekend conference, and he going have to stay with her and this and that and all sort of things because of the nature of his job. So Raga knew that something was happening.
Mm-hmm.
So long story short, them go and them do the do,
Mm-hmm.
and she became pregnant.
And was she married?
Bearing, yes, she was married.
And so what happened after that with them?
So when she found out that she was pregnant, naturally, she told him that it's his,
Mm-hmm.
and he's in deny it. He said that no, it's not him and this and that. So then she started explaining that her husband, who was elderly,
Mm-hmm.
is impotent.
Mm-hmm.
So I can't have the husband, so it's definitely him.
Mm.
So long story short,
Mm-hmm.
they went through this. I broke up with him
Mm.
after that because I think it was a friend of his that told me about it, but I already knew.
Right.
So I just used that and I said excuse. Broke up with him, and both of them, he and his boss, the relationship deteriorated.
Mm-hmm.
So it reached a case though where her husband died, and then she took him to the family court to establish paternity
Mm-hmm.
and maintenance. So that's where it is now.
So she put him on child support after them
Yeah,
relationship mash up and thing.
absolutely.
And I'll know him no know say you did pin the condom them and
No,
thing
rather.
and make him end up breeding boss.
No.
John. John, no. You know, easy, you know. And well, and after you do that and him end up breeder now, you move to him and basically say, how you for do that? Me you can't stay or whatever this and that and you left him because of that and him no know
Yeah,
say you do it, don't it?
that's right.
All right. All right then. Thank you for sharing that one day here.
Okay, all right, brother.
Yeah,
Bye.
man. Blessings, man. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, you hear that one they do, you know. Yeah, tell you, you know. See, that's something that a pin, a long time that thing that go and buy pin condom, you know. Yeah, man, when them do, them just use a needle or a pin, you know, and just put a neat little hole in each of the condom, them, you know. And the thing them do, you put it in the middle. Because the way you know, it's a condom circle or whatever, so the tip, you know, almost always in the middle, somewhere in the middle. And then you know, say like a minuscule amount of semen, you know, it contains thousands upon thousands of you know, those little swimming things that lead to up the fallopian tube and to penetrate the egg and all these things and whatever. So a long time them thing they are going, you know, the pinning a condom. All man do it. Man do it when them want to breed woman and woman insist no put on a condom, I don't want to breed. All man do it for breed woman. Yeah, enough time people do it for, you know, do it to somebody else's condom. But yeah, you have man who do that too. You know, when the woman insists him for breed a condom, but him want to breed her. Them pin them condom and go do that, you know? Yeah, well apparently people still are do them something there. Crazy. Anyway, again, if you're over here, Rocky, big up yourself. Rocky are the boss. Yeah. If you're over here, you know, follow me right now, please. Follow me. Empress Ija, big up yourself. Jimmy Q, Christina, large up yourself. All who a gift and thing, big up on yourself, you know. You understand? Respect and honor. Again, if you're watching the show right now, follow me. If you're not following me yet, follow me right now, okay? If you're not following me yet, follow me right now. Yeah, see, let me soon not follow me. If you watch the show and you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Sexy G, Monsieur Marie, yeah. Jody, yeah. Sandra Campbell, Belpa, Fresh Rebel, yeah. Yeah, share the life, to share the life, to share the life, share the life, share the life. Love always, Heather Samuels, C. Marianne. Share the life to please. Follow me and share the life. Follow me and share the life. Follow me and share the life. Diane, I think that's supposed to be Brown, but it's spelled Carlene. So Raga, I love you. Raga loves you too. Okay. Natasha Lovelace, Susu. Follow me and share the live. Follow me and share the live. Follow me and share the live. Adrian Mills, Omar Gordon, Blockstar, up my G, Black Diamond, large up. Everything is everything. Of course, Sexy Mitzi, aka Baby Girl, big up yourself. Yeah. What you pronounce her name? Janice. Janice. Laffy Taffy. Raga, you're not age. Yes, I am. I'm telling me a old man. You see me a old pop down man. You understand? Me a old pop down man. Tyrone. OP. Larger. OP. We're going to bring you in right now. OP. Line up yourself. Come here, bring you in right now. So answer. Wait. All right. OP. Let me see. We're bringing OP right now. Whoopee.
Good night.
Why go down?
Raga, them not topic where you come with no win-win for them, you know.
Talk to me. What you mean?
You can't win.
Who can win?
But before we read this, I'm going to tell you my little piece of story, you know, because me is a girl grow fool and don't know nothing, you know. So, in my young prime days, I buck up on one boy.
Yeah.
I never look good boy, a boy where fit there with. But the boy say him have a piece of change and him want a, you know, exchange.
Yeah.
So I say, all right, come in.
Yeah.
So when he come, me and him a go and talk, realize say fool on me. So, you don't know, Sir Raga, me big, you know, me well fluffy, you know, over 300 pounds, you know. And you know, so when you're big, so the inner thigh meaty.
Yeah, right.
So, you know, so no boy, when one power with me say, me go turn around the face to face now go work.
Yeah.
So, me dep on me 4 upon the bed, you know.
Yeah.
Round there, so he must steer.
Right.
You know, say, me well like it 2 foot then together, you know.
Yeah.
So, you see, when Brother Babs pull out and start working leg.
Careful. Yeah, right.
Go up and say, oh, tight.
And I be a leg.
My brother not reach nowhere yet.
Him not reach. So what you give me the famous leggings, don't you?
He said good. Legs nice and stuff. You know, come and tell me over 300 pounds, you know. And brother Babs, let me tell you, brother Babs fool on me, so
him like fool on you. What you say, you fool on him, fool on you.
Aye. I say my walking leg.
Yeah.
And you might get feelings, you know.
What you mean?
Yeah, brother Babs.
Where brother Babs are going? What brother Babs?
Me say, you not think it's a romance or man are going.
So brother Babs thinks I'm in a living room and I'll know him not pass. Him think him in a living room and up on the veranda him there, don't
on the veranda. On the veranda.
Yo!
You know me not look back for him.
Nah, I know say a beer hype him a go on when him think him in a living room.
Oh, he lick down this big old 200 pounds. I look to it.
Will you say him little too? Him little?
Yes!
Well on. I want to come on, man, though.
You say, so when me hear man talk about, they can talk about tell when woman a give but lie them a tell.
Lie them
they can get leg and things say they in the parlor.
So when you say when the boss I get the leggings in my hype and I say, yo, you're so tight. And you
I
say,
said, hey, me not look back for him, me no guy.
no,
Why?
you never carry nor bring him. You never carry nor bring him because you say
No,
me.
some just taking change and send him my
Take
yard.
send him go in my yard and thing. And
Yeah.
boy don't even know say a beer leggings him get and all these things
Beer leg.
done. That kill that with leg.
Ma,
Yeah. From now with that.
I reach to it, boy, I reach, you know.
He reached down. Never see her when him go in the living room and feel nice. Came and say, John, in the living room in your hot tea, man.
Warm.
In your warm and thing. And don't even know, say, all this time when him out there sweat, him a sweat on the veranda, don't. Bust a serious sweat on the veranda. All right, big up yourself, you know. Hope you're thinking.
Anyway, run up on the topic there.
Yeah, talk to me.
You know, said there's no win-win because in a some relationship, the wife will win, and in a some, the side chick will win. People have to recognize, say, there's woman out there, there's ladies out there, there's girl out there, there's kettle out there, and there's girl out there. So it depends on which one you're in a relationship with. So if you're that man and you're in a relationship with a lady, you know, so she not go past for your head top. So she not win. Mr. Man I go road. Go look one of the girl and one of the kid girl. When I go say, just why them say, Ray, and then Ray long time. So them the side piece, they are going to win.
Oh, okay. So what you said, the woman them and the ones them, I'm just using your terminology. You said the woman them who are ladies, them now go pan them head top and do the something with them.
No.
So you said them now go win then.
No.
But that suggests say head tap and I do the something with them that around the place.
Man them want man not believe in a relationship again, you know. It's a quick fix them pan.
No, hold on. You serious?
It's a quick fix them pan.
But wait, are you sure?
All right, if Reggae, if you check the levels now, do your research. A man will say him want a old-fashioned lady. I mean a lady where we know how to cook clean.
Traditional, right? Yeah.
Right, traditional woman.
Yeah.
But him want her with the daddy mentality.
Oh.
And traditional woman don't carry that mentality.
Yeah.
A traditional woman now go on their head top. And then
some of them now boom flick and some of them not. Yeah. Some of them don't even want to swipe and thing. Some of them right. You have some woman them so decent them thing them don't even want to do backers. Them afraid to do it. Right. Yeah, you know.
Yeah. It depends on who you're in a relationship with. Same way with the man. You have an alpha man. You see an alpha man, them dominant.
Yeah.
And to the woman that depend that.
What you mean?
To the woman that depend no dominant with no man. To the woman wants to be free to do what they want, move what they want, do what they want. But when a dominant man don't allow that, a dominant man wants a woman to anything him say should just say, oh hi.
You're teaching me now, you know, so you say,
the masculine man.
Yeah.
You win with a masculine man. Because a masculine man, he have patience and he move like the traditional. That the man in a relationship, that the man that keeper.
Okay, I understand what you say, right? So people don't misunderstand her, you know. What she's saying is that, and she's using her terms, but what she's saying is alpha men are the ones who are into being domineering.
Right.
But don't believe she has said the woman them no want a confident, self-assured man who is in control and so forth. She's making a distinction between alpha men, using her terminology, with a masculine man. A masculine man is what she would refer to say these are real confident, self-assured men, gentlemen and whatever, but them masculine, them no pian fenke and like a idiot and all them something there. So if we were to paraphrase what she's saying is that Yeah, women want confident men who responsible and treat them ladies good and nice and whatever, without feeling that them have to domineer them and tell them if you jump, yes, or jump this, or jump this, or jump this. Because she said once a man is too controlling, she said nowadays woman now put up with the man them who too controlling. But nowadays woman still like a confident man who know to take care of woman and do him supposed to do. That is a distinction she's making, okay? That which is interesting. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, me not talk to one guy, you know. I did my client, call him as my client, because over when me want him, I call him. I don't go when he get here, he can come across.
Well, you say you didn't call him as your client because only when you want him can come, and it's only when him get paid you call him for come.
All
right now. Okay, go on.
But a good boy, and a woman get that boy, they get a good woman. But it wasn't for me. Me like a man when know what him want. You see when he come, I feel like me that run apart, and I say, me I go cook in the way you want to eat. Anything. No, that get me dark, you know, because I can't go nice shop and call for anything, you know. I want him anything.
No, hold on. Let's stop this for a while, you know. You say him is a good man, and any woman get him, they would have gotten a really good man. But you say that man was not for you because you want a man who communicate what him want, tell you what him want.
Right.
Well, without being domineering.
Right.
Okay.
But me that lady where is small things that matters most to me.
Oh.
So if me ask you what we are cook today, you suppose I can say, boy, I feel like me that eat a steamed fish, you know. I mean, I eat some curry chicken back or something. Don't tell me anything.
So if the man want cow foot now, he must just say, yo, cow foot no want you cook for me, you know. When I come over there, make sure some my cow foot turn up. That the man want. That he must just say it and say cow foot want. And you like that when a man communicate exactly what he want.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But that was one of the good thing about him. Anything you give him, he satisfy. But to me, that not make him manly enough. You must suppose to say where you are, how you are, and all them things there. Make me feel say you is the head of the house. Then.
Lead.
Man is the head of the house.
You want him to lead. Yeah.
All right.
Lead.
Right. So me acknowledge say man at the lead in our home. So play your role.
No, but what would you say to women who are listening to you and would probably respond and say, yo, but you know, say you move wrong because you said this man is a good man, a great man, and any woman get him, you know, would have gotten a good man and whatever. But, you know, some people are going to listen and say, see, you don't even know what you want because you acknowledge that the man is a good man. But yeah, say it's not for you. The good man is not for you.
Exactly. And that's why I start off. We say there are different people. You have woman, you have lady, and everybody have them own personality and them own likeness. Me is the small things. All right, him live at Augustown, me live at Wallaba Road. When you left my yard, a good jump that, you know, I expect that when you reach home, you got text me and say me reach home, me see if I a call. Him not in a them something there.
And you not like that?
I mean, not like them things there. So, instead of me keep on a call you to ask you if you reach home, which I could have make 10 calls, it just safer for you reach home and just send me a text and say me reach home.
And this is an example of what you refer to as the little things that really matter to you, that are important. Them look something there and things. So, but
because you have to remember saying, no, if I never meet you on the road.
Right.
So me, I go on to say you reach home safe.
But wouldn't the nice man then be the one who are going to text back, you know?
In some case, but let me tell you something. You're not going to find a perfect man. So while him not do that, right? There are other things when big pan. If me going to the bathroom, strip naked and say me too tired for bed, he might go come in, they come beard me. If
Okay.
me in the bed, I'm say me hungry. He might go get up and go see if he find something bring come give me.
This is which one? Which one? This is which one?
This same one man when me say I not for me him nice, but I not for me.
So if you say you're tired for beard, he might come in there, come beard. If you say
Yeah.
you're hungry, he might get busy right now. And
Right.
so what you say when a man is like that, it's nice, but you say you're not necessarily attracted to that?
Yes, but the major part of what I'm attracted to is the possessive.
Is what?
Him not possess the main thing that I'm attracted to.
Yeah.
Him not possess that.
Which is a self-assured man who know what he want and can communicate what he
Right.
want. Okay.
All right.
No, but but why is that important to you as a woman? Because other women say the same thing. Why? What that say about the man when him can communicate what him want, and you know, and him is that type of man. I say, this is what I want. This is what that say about him that makes it sexy, that makes him attractive.
Raga, it means it eliminates simple foolishness where we are getting an argument about. It means if you go away for a week and left this man in your house I go stay intact till you come back. You're not fear ESF fire brigade come or no ambulance, because that man will know what he want, know how to do, and know how to go about and have to fret.
Right.
And once the communication there between you and him, you know, you don't have to worry about no side girl, you know. Because him not have time to look on side girl. Too busy to communicate with me.
Okay.
And
All
I tell
right.
me, and because him a communicate, him a tell me what he wants, so me a fulfill it for him needs. So him not no need out there for no side girls go satisfy.
All right. I don't really know about the side girl, you know, because you have good man who good. When I say good man to them wife and to them woman and whatever, and still have side woman and still out there, but they make sure so them take care of yard, you know, they make sure so them take care of the yard. But
Because Raga,
yeah,
him the man they know something missing. Wife either not face it, wife not DJ, wife not flip and reverse, wife not back it up, wife not shake it.
yeah. Sometimes.
So in lack of something, that's why I tell you.
No, hold on. No, what I'm saying is, you see, say if a good man, you know, a really good man, you know, to the woman and everything, whatever, and him still go out there, you just essentially made an argument that it's because of some deficiency from the wife.
Right.
Okay. I would like to suggest to you, right, and take it from me as a man. You know, be a old man in a game now, but me know, whatever. Consider the following. And people, all I want to know that I talk about this and that and whatever. All I want to know listen me a long time, telling people say me don't like that. When I don't in the chat I tell who for come off and who for come on and whatever. Me black on. Right? Do not waste time in the chat, take up space in the chat, talk about who for come off and who for take off and who for come on now. I mean run the show and I want to run the show. Wanna go man. Okay. Listen, I would like to suggest the following to you because this is instructive for a lot of people listening to the show. Be careful how, when a man, a good man out there still a do something. You fall prey to that inclination to say, well, I must something the woman now do. It must be some deficiency upon her part. Because I can tell you this, again, you just have some man I saw them stay and you can't tame them.
But
the woman will do everything. Anything what you say she not do, you have women out there, they do every goddamn thing for the man, loyal to the man, them do everything. And it has nothing to do with her because it's just so him still a go out there. You have a next man who not go out there, you know, and say, yeah, right now, me don't even want a woman on road, you know, because thank God for my little piece of woman, you know. Me not in need of nothing with that woman. She take care of everything. Me comfortable and me good. So me don't want to go road. You have someone who stays, so, you know, but I'm letting you know, as a man, hold on, as a man, say you have woman, them are the prettiest thing, down the tight, them nice, them check in pan him, them help him build him career, them give him back massage, him clothes not dirty, them pick up half of him, when him sick, them take care of him, them do everything in the world, and he still go out there. And that has nothing to do with the woman. I just saw him tan. And he would love that woman, you know, because it's a mistake when people make, you know, if somebody can only love one person. No. And somebody can be totally in love with one person and still go satisfy a different need outside of that one person. And a lot of men stay so. Okay? I'm just suggesting that to you, that you consider that option also.
But Raga, when I say lacking, you know, necessarily mean upon the woman part that you want, it can be upon the man part. Because when we notice, people not take time to know each other before they jump into the relationship.
Okay.
Them just see the physical and then fall in love with the physical, but them not take time to know the inner person. So while them just head on in a relationship, as time goes by, them I get to reveal what they really are truly, and then no, you realize you not like the part there she not like the part there him, but the other part they will like. So sometimes them look something there,
right.
I know like back in the days where you court before you get in a bed and all them something there, and you bring people go meet parents and so. Then they sitting there again. So,
well, you said them days they don't know.
Them days they done. And that's why I mean I have no money now, Raga.
You know,
I come like they chain me on the old school table and back a master dead with the key.
Oh, because you're
still
old
up
school.
on the old school table.
Yeah.
So I still have the old school principle.
Yeah.
Where you court.
Yeah.
And all of that before. But nowadays, as you meet him, you jump in the bed. And so them young man, they know, me meet one 64-year-old man the other day. And the next thing we know, one time I see him. And the second time I communicate with him, the man send me a text message saying we must arrange to have the thing twice a week.
He wants to start us twice a week.
Twice a week.
And the second time you talk to him.
All right. So nobody, even the old man, when we think say, would that in the proper traditional principles of getting into relationship. No, everybody in the doggy style, doggy life. Slam, bam, thank you, madam. And some of them that you want to say thanks.
Yeah. All right, big up yourself for your respect for them. I love the meds, you know. I love that little reasoning here when me and you have, you know, because we cover some layers and some levels and things. And I love your reasoning too, you know. All right. Now say a word, man.
But I believe in a side chicken, I believe in a side chicken, because the Bible said, do unto others as you like them to do unto you. Yeah. But I love that lady that's from West. If you go play the part, play the role, go to the best of your ability. Yeah, my wifey.
Yeah, no.
Next send him home with the wifey gift. What you mean?
Yeah.
Because you see one's wifey good.
Yeah.
And no problem. When that the man they come to you and sweet like a cherry, no car wife never give no problem, so him perky.
See it
come.
There. No. There's a logic with that, you know, because again, I agree with you, and some people may misunderstand what you're saying. If you don't want to be a side chick, don't be a side chick. If you don't want to be a side man, don't be a side man, right? If you want to demand that, no, if me and you go do this, me can't be pan, then fine. But what she's saying, and I agree with, is that, okay, if you know what you are get out of it, and you want to continue to get out of it, and if you also appreciate some of the benefits of being a side man or a side woman, what she's saying, and I concur, is that if you're going to make that choice there, then do it good. Don't go to be a side person and then you're going to end up and make demands on the person, and you end up and get feelings, and you end up and jealous, and you end up and whatever. That just goes against the whole principle of being a side person, unless You know for a fact, say, okay, you're going to be a side person, but your objective is to try to get with the person, which is a whole different story. But if you're going to be a side person, then be a good side person, or else don't do it. Just tell the person, say, you know, so I can't manage this. Because what it require, I'm not going to do that. Right? You understand?
I have a question still
Yeah.
for the side piece, for people that were give born. Because me feel say, if me have a man, and me go give born, it must be that man will better than my man. A man will have more and can do more for me than what my man a do. And if me go give born, it means that my man not satisfy me. So why me not just let my man and stay with the bonner man?
Yeah, I understand your logic, but it's not that simple. When I was at Nationwide, I'll never forget, a woman called in and she said, she didn't know say her husband a born her and it never mattered to her because him did not take care of him for take care and do him for do. So she know, and she said as long as it never in her face and him govern him thing and whatever. So she said it never bother her. She said when she didn't end up having left him, she said is when she find out say him did a born her with one girl that live in a board house. I said, what you mean? And she said, no. She said, if you go burn me good.
Right.
Burn me with somebody where they on my level or above my level.
Right.
Don't go burn. She said, me and him live in a concrete house, Raga, and him going burn me with a board house girl. Me don't feel left that.
See where? Just like how the next girl where they put up on the line and say, our man provide for our own, but our side man is a hungry belly man. Me can't take my man money where in the house go mine side man.
No, the
a
woman
side-
never, she never said she take her man money and man. Even if she do it, she
because
never
I
said
say
that. But this is the
And
other
me
point.
not when I say that I'm not relating that to she.
Right.
But me I say me wanna take my money in the house. Go mine my side man. And my side man supposed to mind me and my man in the
No,
house.
that are you. But what you have to understand again, and it go back to your point when you were making distinctions between different personalities and ascribing separate names to them. Because the other side to the coin about if you go, don't keep a side person, but if you're going to keep a side person, keep one where they at least at the same level as your partner.
Right.
But what I'm saying is for other people, again, it depends on what you want out of it, you know. So for other people, them not left who them there with, you know. So they are making sure that whoever them go with on the side, them know specific where them I get from that person, right? And what they're getting from that, what they want from that person. They may get it, but that person won't necessarily be on the same level as the person who them there with. Let me give you an example. I mix up what woman calling. And when I always tell people, say, if you got, don't keep a side person if you have a good partner. Do not do it. You know, be disciplined and don't jeopardize your thing. But if you go there, immediately as you see that side person I catch feelings and start violate the place and agree, let them go. Cut them off. And he saw one woman call in and she said, Raga, I love my man. I mean, I left my man and whatever. But she said she da look aside man and him do some things the fear man refused to do. But she said that is all she wanted from him. Listen to the logic now. And she said, she did glad. Say him never ambitious and successful and whatever. Because she said, any him go stay so now, him standards are go higher and him go want put pressure upon her with our relationship. You see the reasoning. So she said, once him the right there, so in him look a corner and thing and whatever, she said she no mind because she know what she a get. Then now, she said, him go start catch feelings now and then go start ask about her husband and her kid. She said she cut him off. So again, you know, it's what you want from the relationship and thing and how the other person are govern them things. So don't do it. But if you are going to do it, make sure say, you know why you are get out of it and leave it. And the minute the agreement a change or the thing I get twisted, cut them off, man. Let it go. And you know, and go handle your business. Otherwise, with the thing where you claim is a higher priority for you. Like I always tell people, you know, so ideally, if you're happy with somebody and somebody committed to you, don't bond them. Don't bond them. But we're not naive. We know say theoretically, it's possible for nobody get bun. But we know say in reality, bun are always get. Bun not stop. So my thing I say, yo, so if you have a bun, then you have to have some rules to go with it then. And you have to be disciplined then to follow the rules. You know, just like what you did us about the caller earlier. If you're gonna be a side woman, understand yourself then if that's your choice.
Yeah.
You know where you get out of it, and if what you want out of it, you get out of it, which could be material, money, whatever, but it also could be immaterial, intangible, which is, you know, something like this, I can't go where I want to go when I want to go and this and that, and I'm not fair wash, cook and this and that, I'm not fair worry about that, I just want to worry about the minimal things. There's some people that make them happy. And I desert them there. And if I desert them there, I desert them there. And if that work for them, that work for them. And if two people can agree to that, then fine. Boom, bam, bam, bim. So you have to know what you want out of it. You understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, big
Well,
up yourself.
Reggae, long time me I listen to you, you know, and me I tell you say, yeah, you're graceful, you know.
Me a
Me
what?
that give you one it and run.
You don't give me.
Me that give you it and run.
No. What you say a while ago?
Me say, oh, I ain't get the cute I am, me that give
What
you
you?
it and run.
You don't give me a hit. Listen to me. Me a cute no green. Not the cute rubber. I'm a whirlhead. I'm a big head ragga.
Me
Big
say,
nose
Reggae,
ragga.
you're not looking at me right to say you're refined.
No, sir. No, sir. You say me a
Me
old man.
know
Tap your
that you
fool.
get the more refined, you're refined.
Here, yeah. Tap your foolishness. Have
Looking
people
at
here.
me, looking at me, man.
Whatever. Moving right along. Moving right. What year you
Big
go
up
eat and
yourself.
run? All right. Bless up yourself here.
Love, and
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, man. I love whoopee vibes, man. Whoopee have that look of fun energy there, you know, which is good. Yo, Mr. Somebody post something earlier, and she said, I'm going to say something to you, and that going to sound complicated, but this is the logic of somebody who has been around for a while and who, you know, well, formally study these things, but the formal study, me never rate that, you know, life happen outside, you know, life you learn about. Mixup teach me more about human nature, like real life things that are going on there, Mixup. That teach me more about human nature than when me learn to do with, you know, academia is about theory and methods, you know, research and theory, you know, the relationship between variables. And yes, there's a great body of knowledge in academia. But the real world something, man, how you learn the something them and know what go on. And at this, so, you know, after years of processing certain things, I understand. So I'm going to share this to you. Somebody post earlier and said, no, him not a good man, because if he was a good man, he wouldn't cheat. Because good man never cheat. Something like so. So from him cheating, he's not a good man. I'm going to say something to you, someone on probably not going to agree with him. You have good women out there. No, and I'm not disputing your standard. Feel free to hold your standard. I'm just telling you from experience. You have good women out there, good men out there, really good, most responsible to their family, wonderful personalities, kind, altruistic, caring, just really good to them partner, and they cheat. You have good man who cheat. You have good woman who cheat. Not that I'm not advocating that anybody, you know, I'm not advocating that anybody accept cheating. I'm not. You can reject it as much as you want. I'm just saying that, you know, sometimes when you hear some people out there say things like, you know, like I see some women on social media will say, no, if my man do a look at cheating and think, me not follow nobody, I'm gonna left my husband, I left my man because him going with the one cheating. I wanna burn out them people. Or even worse, society beat man all the while. If him find out some woman did burn him and him forgive her and whatever and thing. And you have all these things, so if you're really alpha male and your woman burn you, she will never ever respect you again and all them. It's not necessarily like that in all the cases, okay, right? You know, but there have been instances where people cheat and regret it and change and adjust. Or You have people that cheat. The other partner might know, but act like them don't know. But them appreciate the person because the person is just stellar, just good right through otherwise. And like I always say, life is not lived in black or white. Life is not lived in black and white. Life is lived in the area between black and white, which is the gray area. And the configuration of that gray area can come in an infinite amount of variations, right? And that, as Opie said a while ago, when you get older, in particular, you realize that nobody not perfect. And it's up to you. It's up to you, based upon the different variables in your life. Your age, where you have to deal with, kids, where you are, how you look, finances, all kind of things put together. It's up to you to determine how much of the imperfection you can live with the person that you're with. Because nobody not perfect. Because you can have a partner who not cheat, but them have some other imperfections. And it's up to you to decide how much of their imperfections it would be wise to stay with. Because if you have a good person and them imperfect in some way, everybody have to figure out how much height them can work with. If you go too far, then you have to let go. Some people will see this and they deal with it in certain way. So be careful though, when you immediately condemn somebody who is living with some imperfections on the part of their husband, their wife, their partner, and you're ready to judge them, not knowing that they are balancing, they're doing some cost-benefit analysis. Like, yes, my partner, wife, woman, husband, man, is imperfect in such and such way. I would prefer if they were not imperfect in that way. I would prefer if them did change that behavior. But I have to weigh that imperfection with all these other qualities with which the person is really good and decide, is this something I want to live with at this stage of my life and how long I want to live with it. So I'm not saying you should accept it. Again, I just want to be clear. I'm affirmatively, clear here in saying, don't think that I'm advocating that you accept this particular type of imperfection with somebody cheating, and I'm not advocating that people should go out and cheat. I'm just saying that there are people out there, their lives are not perfect, but they're living successful lives with an imperfection in their partner who is really, 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 really good in so many ways. But they may not be the most, they may be cheating either a little bit or a lot, and people work with it, I'm just saying. All right. We could see why. Okay. Follow me. If you're watching me right now and you're not following me, I need you to follow me right now, right? Just follow me right this minute. Let me just wait for a second until everybody who is watching me and not following me, follow me right now, please. Everybody who's watching me right now and you're not yet following me, I want you to just follow me right now, okay? Again, everybody who is watching me right now and you're not yet following me, I want you to follow me right now. Okay, follow me, please. And again, this is the only thing I'm going to bother you with over here, all right? All right. Lady Hilly, go on, Lady Hilly. Go on, my queen. Big up yourself, Canada. Lady Hilly, I rep for Canada in my place. Big up yourself, man. Seeing? Good for see you, Bo. Good for see you. Again, if you're watching right now and you're not following me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Who bust up that gun there a while ago? Who bust that gun there a while ago? Okay. Antasha, big up yourself, you know. See, you real out of money gun a while ago, don't. Large up, man. Everything is everything. Okay, let's see. Get a couple more calls before my juggle. It's a call, I should say request, but you know, he's a radio man by at heart, you know, so I always end up as a call. No. Mercy Johnson, wow. People don't tell me what to do with people. Don't tell me for do. When come from a generation, you know, when spoil, you know. When you love to tell people what to do, that don't work with me. Right? We want to come over here and watch a show, and give them no instruction. And I want to run the show. All right? You hear what Whoopi say? Man, for know what them want. Greetings, good night. What go on?
Good night. I'm going to mix it again.
Send on.
Anyway, you know, say, I have one ex man.
Yeah.
Right? But when I do again, but more time he come buy something from me, you know me I talk about there's something to keep it clean, right?
Him come for buy something from you?
Yeah.
Your ex come for buy something from you?
Yes.
Him for come for buy sort out from you?
Yes.
No. I'm sorry. What you mean your ex come for buy sort out? What you mean by that?
Yeah, we're not there again. Him have him man, me have my man, but it's still like the feeling, you know? So
right. So when you say buy, what you mean? So him give you money because we don't have history and whatever.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
And him give
because he can't come without his money. Money.
Okay, because you know what a guy feels him you and him left, him have him and you have your man. You know what a guy feel like him can just come back and come get it like that. If you come with your money.
Exactly.
All right, it's an exchange. All right then. Okay, cool. Him come to buy something from you.
So
yeah.
Anyway, now that I'm gonna tell you, that I'm in river, in a trench town.
Yeah.
Raga. So anyway, him say, yo, I'm come link in. I'm say, all right, no problem. I say, how much? Him say, right. I say, all right. Raga. When the man come, the light go away. As a minute, as I'm ready for the start off.
Yeah.
JPS go away.
The light gone, yeah.
Give me the money.
What?
And in the dark, him give me the money.
Him give the money in the dark, yeah.
Yeah, but Raga, I'm there, sat there to the thing, and the man I say, yo, check the money. And me I say, oh no, man, a regular buyer. Nah, he not do that.
Your mind I tell you if you check your money the whole time, though.
Yeah, because the light go away.
The light go. Go and talk, yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, when it's done, I know old master gone free, gone later, you know?
Yeah.
Boom. Whether something just come back, yo, me say you have to check the money. You see when I get up and take the phone and look on the money, right? I know what me tell him.
I know what you tell him.
All right, say for instance, me tell him $5,000.
Yeah, at the time. Yeah.
At the time.
Yeah.
Okay, when we look at 100 where the man came.
What?
So you know.
So it is shot bad then?
Bad! Well, I know. I remember saying I'm going to sleep, you know.
Yeah.
So I go in there and pack it. And I fix the mistake for him. Yeah?
Yeah.
And I wake him up. And I say, hello, sir. Your time. Bye-bye. Because I'm mad man in my head there. Fretting up at me, I say.
Yeah, I acted. He made chip.
I say, when I'm going I see my car, but I'm not answer. I'm come board. When I look, I see my area, when I come back around. I say, yo, we're going to unpack it for. He said, no, I'm not going to unpack it. He said, yes, I'm going to unpack it.
Yeah.
Oh, no, man, I see make a mistake. I'm going to correct the mistake for yourself.
So you tell him straight up.
Yeah.
You tell him straight up. Because him did a plan for go around him, a plan for broke your foot.
He didn't know what him do. But he's glad when the light go away.
Oh, I'm glad when the light go away and I saw him go around. No, but him can't. Of course, you never violate. You and him have an agreement. And him did that try broke your foot.
Exactly.
Yeah, and him did that try buck you. So, but I love how you put it, you know. You help him on because you correct a mistake for him, you know.
Yeah.
You know want to see your ex a make a mistake, you know. So you
No.
look out,
Say we go
you
take
look
our
out,
money for do something. No.
you look
Nah,
out for
give
him,
like that.
down.
But from that, we not sell back. We not
And
just talk about this.
from that, he never
Never
come
come
back
back.
a shop, come back.
Nah.
Yeah. All right, man. Bless up yourself here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cool. From that, the dog no come back and shop and thing. You know, I say, yo, you know, me did I try get some free grocery, you know? You know, I try get grocery for little or nothing, you know, and the shopkeeper read the player. Yeah. And, you know, balance out back the thing and sitting and whatever. Here we go. And people, my soon, our time now. Me right till almost 9 o'clock. Okay. I'll leave now and come back tomorrow. Hello.
Hi, Roger, how are you?
I'm good.
I just have to come on and tell you that I've been watching you for a while. And let me tell you, your program keeps us going.
Oh, that's really sweet of you.
Yeah, I'm in an island where I have no family around.
Oh,
So,
could you speak up a little bit more over here? Huh? You're in an island that what?
yeah, man, I'm in one place where there's no family around. So you keep us going.
Blessings, man. Blessings, man.
Yeah,
Respect
man.
and honor, man. All
I
right.
just have to make a public announcement to the married man them.
Yeah.
If you try to be more faithful to the wife them.
Okay.
Because mentally say the man they don't want the woman cheat. They know why society have it as if women when they cheat, they're whores, and men when they do it, they should be celebrated.
A long
And
time,
let me
something
tell
like that.
you,
A long time
7
double
out of
standard.
10
Right. Yes.
man.
Yeah. What?
I'm saying 7 out of 10 men
Yeah.
can be married.
Yeah.
And that 7 out of 10
Yeah.
want a woman, an extra woman, or 2 or 3.
The conventional wisdom is that a lot more women are cheating now too, you know. But so using the same out of 10 formula, how many women would you say on average out of 10 that are cheating? You say 7 out of 10 man are cheat. How many women would you say are cheating now?
I would say the same 7.
Really?
I would say the same 7.
So wait, you're saying that women are cheating as much as men right now?
And you know why, Raga?
Why?
Because man is not holding up to their end of the bargain no more. I won't say 4 out of 7, my lady. I would say I'm 7.
But listen,
But you know that women cheat based off what is happening, you know. Most women cheat off feelings.
no, let me ask you something. The 7 out of 10 man on average where you say cheat, right?
Yes.
So you're basically saying 70% of men cheat. What is
Right.
what is the main reason why, in your opinion, why they cheat?
All right, men cheat for no reason. They just look at woman and when they look on the woman, the man probably the breast look good or the face or probably she says something.
Yeah.
Man just cheat for no reason for me.
So man
But
just
for
cheat for no
women,
reason, which mean
But
any
let me tell you,
reason.
come on to women.
But
you
you
have
say,
4% for me. Listen, let me differentiate between the 7 now. You have 4% that
no,
will
you mean
cheat
4
as
out of
men.
10. You mean 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10,
Right.
yeah,
Right.
that will cheat for no reason. The other 3, they will cheat based off what is happening
In the with the man.
in the relationship.
In other
with the
words,
man.
for a lot of women who cheat, they cheat because of something where the man not do or the man fault.
What the man fear do.
Right. But when men cheat, them cheat because them just want to cheat for any reason.
Yes, Raga, because some man have some really good woman.
Yeah.
You have some bad women out there, you know.
Yeah.
You have some really bad women, but you have some man out there have some really lovely family. Like me, I talk from experience, Raga. Now, one time I used to date this guy from England, and Raga was much younger. This man come to Jamaica at least every 3 months, I would say. Yeah. And Raga didn't know that the man was married, you know. I didn't know that he was married.
You never know same then married the man where you did
I
there.
never
You
know
never.
say married and you know tell me.
So Raga, him come to Jamaica, alright, me a young girl. So me say, yeah, him come, I spend a little money and he not spending a Jamaican dollars. I send on the money, Raga.
For
Me
papa
like
money.
that. Yeah.
And you did like that.
Yes, Raga, me like that. Cause me like when man talk to me with money in Raga.
We say that again. Me like that sentence. What you say?
Me like when man talk to me with money. Cause you have some money in a Raga. Then we come and want your pussy, you know.
Hey, hold on. You don't say that word there, okay? Remember, you have to keep it clean.
Raga.
Yeah, you have to keep it clean, okay? All right? Keep it clean.
I'm saying,
Yeah.
man will come and want to walk it. And you know, hungry belly and that's something that don't work. But you have some man that people care if you boil your cup of water, but if you say, come and work it, you know, they might go run a marathon. But you have some man out there that will make sure, say, you're well taken care of. So when they come by, you don't have no problem, Raga. We have some man out there who want to come take it. So the man them way can take care of their woman and make sure their woman good. I love that.
You love that. And that man from England did that do. Him did take care of you good. So him, as you say, him did talk to you with money.
Yeah. You know the problem come in, Raga. I never have no kids yet. And he go say to me, say, you know, say, I want to get a baby door. Raga, it come like the man shoot me in my head.
What? Come like him shooting in the head? Why?
Raga, me's a young girl. I say me's a young girl. I don't think I was even 21 yet. But
you never ready for no pitney yet.
No, Raga. And even if I wasn't young, from up you just meet a man and the first thing you say to you, say, yo, I want to get a baby. That is a red flag.
Red flag that. You just meet a man and him just link and him want push out the navel. Red flag. Because him don't even know you're good yet. Him don't even know you're good yet and thing, and you know.
Raga, the second thing, you know, Inga said to me that his mom is living in St. Catherine. And he want me to go and stay with his mom. His mom was older. So I said, stay with your mom? He said, yes. So I said, like, what you want me to do with your mom? Like, to help her up the stairs and stuff like that. Rocker, by this time, I was working in hospitality, so I never have time to go and take care of nobody. My mom is all right, and everybody is okay. But for the money that you have, you're supposed to can't find the money to take care of your mom. Why you want to take me out of the town and put me in the country and put me down as a young girl?
All right, me soon a Lego and thing. But me see what you say. But at the same time, I'm glad say you didn't know what you never want, and it's a big deal. Children are a big deal. So, and it's good that you never frightened for the money so much that you're like, Jesus God, me have to go breed for that British shaker. I want the pound them go and send on. So I just want big respect to you for that. But the other side is like, you know, like they say, I mean, you know what you want and you know what you never want. But there people would hear this and be like, you see it? You get what you want, which is the money and thing, and the man I tell you, say, yeah, you know, you see that good money I want me to send on, me want you for balance it thing and whatever, me they are England and thing, and me, you know, me want somebody to look out for my mother, and you want to look out for my mother. But you can't live at the house and you're not going to short for money or anything and whatever. I mean, in the end, you find out say married, so that, you know, it's, me understand the part the way you like, whatever. So.
But Raga, me no cut, you know, yeah. Raga. These are the same men when they sit and talk about their kids, you know. Oh, they're going to this university, that university, and they go there and we go on these trips, you know. But these are the men that will come around, you know, Raga. And they will want you as a young girl, you know. It's for you, the young girl, to know what you want, you know, Raga.
True.
Because you see, these men, they don't grow up and have knowledge already.
See it.
And they know how to go around this block and spin this block.
That's true.
So women have to know what they want. As a young girl, I was working already in a Raga, so his money was a bonus.
Okay. Look.
So combine both money together, Raga, was everything.
See.
So Raga, let me go back to the story. Let me
No,
tell you
no,
about
well, I no can't stay too. We just want to take two other quick thing and two other quick call. People have been take two other quick call. Cause I should have done already and things. See, so do no vex
right,
here.
Raga,
Show me back and thing. All right, love and blessings, man. All right, then cool.
all right.
Yeah. Oh God. See everybody there and thing. Me just two more and then me have to let go. Here, people, no vex. Remember some day regularly, write us up on TikTok, spread the word. If you're watching the show right now, follow me yet, follow me now. Follow me right now. All right? If you watch the show and you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Whoa, what's going on here? This thing here move fast, my man. Alright, here we go. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good night, Raga.
Good night.
The sugar man.
What's that?
Girl, we can't tell you the story about sugar man.
But,
Sugar man beach.
but Sugar Man, what?
Last time I come on the live, I tell you about the policeman where we meet at Sugar Man Beach.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, remember. Yeah, but you have to be careful when you don't do that, Remember, Samina zone and me just a flow, so I'm not going to remember everything, So, go on, yeah.
Good night.
Yeah.
Yes, so when you have a side man, you have good side man, and you have bad side man. I remember one time, I talked to this guy, which me on night shift, him do night shift and going home, him a pass my workplace, he no look for me. You know, you'd say about your girlfriend there work, so you'd pick her up or whatever, he no look for me. Yesterday all the time, him call my phone. Or when him want.
Right.
So, when him get him,
Yeah.
him no call you back, he no care if you eat, sleep, whatever.
Yeah.
So, said to him, say, want go back to school. Man say, nah, send no woman go to school. So me say, I want better myself and woman say, nah, send no woman go to school.
That time him is a side man and him know say you're there with your man.
No, him a female woman, but me a side woman.
Oh, you was a side. Okay,
Yeah.
good. You was a side woman. Okay.
So, me ask him a question again and him said no. One day me have something to deal with and me call him. And him say, yeah, me come. You know when me see him back? When me get pay again?
No, you call him because he did have something to do?
For deal with and me ask him for a change.
For a change, right? And him say,
Yeah.
him will bring it, come give you.
Yes.
But him never come.
Him not come.
But when him do come and when you did get pay.
Again.
Okay.
Alright, so I say, alright. I'm gonna leave that relationship there because it not work out.
Right.
So I meet this next man.
Yeah.
Him tell me straight, say, listen up. Him and him woman there for 20 years and me all one know say you tell me that, so I know how to work with it. So I know say night time, I can call, you only can text. And bring cross the school in to this gentleman. A man pays school fee, graduation fee, take care of my 2 kids. A man do everything.
Right.
So graduation come up now and put up my picture them on Facebook and something. And the man see it. Tracy, come here. I would like back a relationship, cause girl a practical nurse now.
This are the other one whenever they do nothing for you, right?
No, do nothing at all.
Right. So when him see you say you graduate now and all this thing,
And
he might draw back for you.
Yeah. So him realized that he's a practical nurse now and he's a certified phlebotomist. So my man call now. You can't give me back a chance. One member say him a side man too, you know. He must have a woman.
Well, him no. Well, he wouldn't be the side man, you know, but you know, you would be the one on the side. But go on.
Side, yeah.
Yeah.
So me I said to him, say then, how is it? And it's unfair because me and you, they me never have no man. And me tell him I want to go back to school. He said no. You know, send no woman go to school.
Yeah.
But yet still, a next man take me up, send me back to school.
Yeah.
And me feel left that the man there for you. Why? Man say because he know say me love him. And me no love that the man there. So see him back about 5 months after. And he's like, you know, get over that the man there because the man they don't want you. Me want you. So me I said to him, say, this man make sure me have grocery where you will never make sure me have. He make sure me go school where you will never want to do. He make sure me house no lack of nothing.
Right. I mean, we're familiar with all the details, but at the end of the day, yes, you were able to make a distinction between both. And you have two pitney, so you couldn't afford for just careless out the things or whatever in totality, you know. And then you were able to just make a choice with who really did have your back. Even though in both situations, you know, you were essentially on the side in both situations, but clearly one held your interest at heart and was able to commit resources to you know, protecting you and providing for you, while the other wasn't, and the one that wasn't was also making demands on you, and you were able to just say, yeah, hear me, done with you, me I go with who I look out for me, and big up yourself here.
Alright, have a good night.
Yeah, man, blessings, man, cool. People, me I go Lego, you know, one more. Jesus, this thing is full. We could see where I go. One more thing or whatever. I'm gonna do some work, you know. After this. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
More give a quick little mix up. But
rinse it quick.
When my friend breed my woman.
What happened?
My friend Raga.
Yeah, make we hear about it.
Woman.
All right, stop the way you do. No, you do something. Stop do that way you do. Something you make nice in the background. Some bag or something. So just tell with the mix up quick. But when your friend breed your woman,
so me have this friend where Raga. When everywhere me and him go, good friend. Me and him used to go school and everywhere.
Yeah.
So anyways, him know me woman. Me know female man. And him come at me yard, me go in yard. So anyways, me there at work, him come over me yard. So anyways, I start out my wife. I end up breed my wife.
So when you go to work and think him come over your yard and I start out your wife and end up breed your wife?
Yes, Raga.
A real thing you talk about? A real thing you talk?
Real thing.
Which part this happen?
Real
Which
thing.
area this happening?
This is in Kingston, Raga. I don't want to give out too much details because you know people are listening in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So anyways, him used to come at my yard, me used to go in my yard.
See him.
So him live with female man, me live with my woman.
Go so, yeah.
So anyways, me end up go work, him end up come over my yard. Me still not take it for nothing. Show me I say me and him a friend.
Yeah, you're bona fide, yeah.
He bona fide friend. So him come at me yard, Raga. When me not did it. And start out my woman. And more than one heap of time. So anyways, my woman get pregnant now, Raga. Me check say I'm my picking it. fast forward for when baby born, me end up, because you see that's something I run in my family, you know. When you have one woman, have one pitney, you have to do one DNA test first.
Okay.
Yeah, generation passed down. So, anyways, me end up doing DNA. And I find out say I know my picking it. Me end up ask her about it. And she end up confirm it, say, my friend. So anyways, me and her did the same way, Raga. So me say me have to get back to him. So anyways, him have him sister can live in our family yard. So him have his sister them did it. So anyways, me end up draw closer to his sister them, Raga. And breed to his sister them. I end up female woman now, me that try breed female woman. But it never work, Raga. Me end up breed female woman and you female woman dash for belly. Female woman when live with her yard. Me end up breed her, Raga. And she dash for belly.
Hold on. So the two sisters them live with the same place where him live with female man, though.
Yes, me used to go over there in yard. And anything them run short pan money wise.
Yeah. So all you end up now, because me not make no assumption whatever about you know them wealth or anything, but you know. I don't know big house up at Jackson them living and whatever.
No,
right?
I want to get up.
One look get up.
Place,
so tell me something now. How you end up now asleep with two sisters and your brethren woman who all live at the same place in one little place I get them, and you know them never know so you are doing.
One yard but a different house. So me used to go over there and his sister them used to run short for money. And the two sisters them have picking it before. So them used to want pampers and them something the Raga. And me always go over there and me start talk to his sister them now. And me I tell them say me can buy them pampers and something. So they end up start take on to me now, Raga. And me start give them money and them start give me sort out. And the two sisters them never know. Because me normally go over there and me sweet up one. Then me sweet up the other one. And then for each wife now, Raga.
And you end up breed female wife too?
Yeah, me end up breed female wife. And
so
she dash with belly.
And when you go over there you start them out when you're over there, no?
Over there. Because when me normally start them out, and normally one of them did it, me normally wait till one gone somewhere.
Okay. So when the female wife find out that she did a breed?
So when female wife find out, about couple of weeks after.
Couple weeks after what?
Close to a month.
Couple weeks after what?
She find out say she a breed.
Close to a month after what?
Me a sort her out.
So you start sort her out and close to a month, so it wasn't quite a month yet, right?
No, he never reached
a month yet and thing. And then she find out that she a breed, huh?
Yeah, she find out that she a breed.
So about 3 weeks then after you sort her out, you find out say
around that.
All right. You know, say a lie you tell Papa, and you don't even recognize the mistake where you make a while ago. I mean, not tell you, but most people know. A lie you tell you, Papa. A lie you tell Papa front, man. I feel like you're still here.
No. When me I tell lie, Faraga.
No, but me I tell you, say you say something where everybody, particularly women who are listening, them know say a lie you tell. But I
me not tell a lie, man.
Bossy, I remember ask you again. You said 3 weeks after you sort out the wife, she breed.
No, you asked me how long she find out say she a breed.
No. I ask you for clarification, and that is exactly what you said. Don't bother change it now. You said
No, me
3
not
weeks
change nothing,
after.
Raga.
You said 3 weeks after almost a month. So almost mean it not reach a month. So in less than a month, when you start to she find out she shall breed. Him hang up and gone. Of course. The devil is always in the details, you know. The devil is always in the details, you know. Boss, you don't feel the way that. I tell life on front, man. You know, for do that, my general, you know. Them real things that are really there, you see it. You know, we don't really like that still, you know. Nobody call the show. And particularly with a man like me, because I go those kind of those circle and thing and make you tie up yourself. You understand? See it? And see it there, you cut and gone right now. And then when you talk about the things them now, yeah, I shouldn't even say them something, you know, because other people, you know, we have to leave it so we can catch other people them too. But, you know, when you talk about the thing them, you not tell it good, you know. You see, when certain things happen, some big things happen in our life, people always tell you what happened after and why it caused, what kind of contention and what kind of consternation come into play, right? So there, you know, you tell me, say, oh, my brother breed my mama. And you just move on like a nothing. Oh, I'm going to go over there and breed him too, sister, them and thing. Oh, I'm going to breed him, I breed for him, you know. I breed for him wife too and whatever. People not really talk when people say, no, I'm breed him wife, you know, and when him here and blah, 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 this and that and whatever, and ray, and all kind of something, I'm breed the sister them and when them, blah, 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 blah. Usually I saw it going on, but once, you know, you just come with these broad, this kind of broad thing, whatever, you don't tell what the reaction was to what happened and thing. That's usually a telltale sign that the story not really balanced. Okay, follow. Yeah, you can't come with that thing and whatever, you know, but people, if you know, nobody call the show for tell no lie, you know, better call and tell the truth. We can't know. The flow, you see, when Pandiraka tell her thing, she no itch. That's a one. She just flow. And when she flow, you know, it's done in such a way that you have these unique elements to the story where, you know, it's unlikely that somebody will make up something. You can't just feel the honesty and the truth when somebody attack. And, you know, usually the mix up them will turn up. People just call and tell the truth. And them never call for being a comedian or to perform verbally or anything. Them just call and tell you the truth. And then the truth end up being funny and interesting and whatever. So them call for tell you something what happened. And the humor come out of it, rather than them call for provide something spectacular. Once you do that, we are going to know. You know, you just call the show for provide something spectacular. Or nobody call the show, you know, for make up anything, all right? SDC, big up, you know. ANC family, big up, you know. One TamFam, see? And again, remember, when you start plan, if you're not far from New York, start plan to come Ragabash. For those of you who don't know, you know, that is my birthday party, you know, once a year thing. And that is going to be in September, all right? Someone, the item come on Ragabash. If you're in New York already, you know you're far. Massachusetts, Connecticut, yeah? Make sure sound dead, all right? That in September. Me make you know the date and thing. I New York, man. Usually it's in Queens. I'm still a seal up a venue and thing for say which part can hold my type of crowd, you know? And again, that in September, so I have an ample time to plan for it and thing like that, all right? Ooh, Mish? Okay, Mish say you are, let me see, Mish. Let me see, Mish. Mish said the last one. Let me hear Mish, I say. Mish said last one. See it, me bring in Mish, you know. And it now come in. All right. Mish. Hello?
Yeah, man, big up, brother. Wagwan.
Yeah, what you say?
Yeah, man, blessed. You know, say, I don't know much I say still in a boy. You know, say I want side chick me I look. Or maybe side man same way.
Well, and that you make you be the last caller for.
Eh.
You look a side chick.
Yeah, man.
So you're there with somebody.
Alright.
No, well, you're there with somebody.
Alright.
No, you're there with
Yeah, man.
somebody.
Yeah.
You're there with somebody and you want a side chick.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So if she gonna be a side chick, what can you provide her?
A lot, you know.
Like no. Come on. You don't flap yourself, because them a listen you right, you know, and you have the opportunity now for say something now for make a woman say, no, Sam, I want to know that man here. So make your talk right now. Why would a woman be a side chick? How would she benefit from it?
Alright, self-employed, loving, caring, kind.
You're self-employed.
A nice person, yeah, man.
And you're loving and what? Caring and talk no papa, talk no, don't stop, kind. Don't listen to the show.
Right,
don't listen to the show. Focus, don't listen to the show separately.
Jerk chicken.
You what?
Yeah, man, I do jerk chicken on festival. I do jerk chicken on festival. I sell natural juice. Yeah, keep bingo party every month and thing, you know. Put on seafood boil and them thing the same way.
Yeah. So again, so you sell jerk chicken and natural juice, and you keep bingo party, and what? And what you say about
put on seafood boil?
And you put on seafood boil and think, okay, we are here the resume. What else? What type of side chick you da want then?
You don't know somebody understanding, somebody loving, caring. Somebody will know what they want to see on my resume. So you don't know if me do something right, then we can put out a hand and help with this, that person can see right, then take that and build something.
Okay. So based on, there's a couple things. There's two things that's gonna be on the forefront. So the first one is, you know, me just tell you what, you know, enough women, if them are put themselves in another position there, them have one know, you know, what's in it for them. So about like monthly, about how much a month you could have think say you'd have able to provide for your side chick, you know? Who are gonna be loyal to you and thing.
Well, basically a month. I don't grow the things still because I have a lot of things and expense I do. So let's say
be honest,
35,
right?
37.
What?
What 35, 37?
About 37,000 Jamaican dollars, obviously. Round this, 35.
Yeah, me not overdo it.
Can't
overdo it neither.
No, you don't want to overdo it. It's generally not a good idea to overdo it in those. So about 37,000 a month.
Right, that's so.
Okay, so that work out to something around, you know, 8 and 8, 16 and 16, 32. So we are talking about something around 8,000, 9,000 Jamaican dollars a week, right? All right, then cool. The other thing is now, you know, these modern women, and think particularly if, you know, they are cosmopolitan and they're well-traveled and, you know, if all them up here and them, they're Jamaican and thing, they're pretty liberated, you know, and by that I mean, you know, liberated sexually, so them are going to want you for, you know, be able to satisfy them too, because them not going to want to burn you if them are going to be a side woman and things. So, like, how you that, you know, make sure so that they're sexually fulfilled?
Well, you don't know. As a G, there are certain things me not go do so. As me say.
Well, certain things like what, you're not going to swipe them? You know, if you say you're going to have a problem with that and thing?
Well, basically, at the side chick, you know, so, you know, the side chick have our main man, you see me?
Oh, so our main man. No, not all side chick have a main man, but basically you are saying you don't mind there with a side chick who already have our main man, but the main man must swipe her because you not swipe her.
Right, that's so.
But if she your side chick, you know, and thing like that, you know, you're going to want your look at headers from her, right?
Can't go on, you know?
You can't. You say you can't go on, she can't go and juggle with that, you know? I think I know. So you want a woman now, if it be your, she have her man now, and she for burn her man and be your side chick, right? And yeah, you know, she run and send her some look at headers and all these things and whatever, and thing like that. And you will be caring and kind and loving to her and thing, and you give her a 8,000-9,000 Jamaican dollar a week and thing like that. You think that sound like an attractive proposal to women out there? You think so?
Well, honestly, still, you know, it's their choice. It's what I did. So if them not work with it, them not work with it.
I think. You know? But you keep it 100 with what you can afford and all these things. So last question before we go though. But given that you have a woman and you want a side chick, right? So it means that you not get this from your woman then, but you would have want from the side chick, correct?
Right, that's so.
Oh, so your woman. Okay, I see what you say. So you have little problems and things, you know, you not really get the fulfillment where you want from your woman right now, don't?
Yeah, man, believe, you know.
Okay, so what you gonna stay in a relationship with her or you plan to leave?
Well, honestly, it's a good woman still, isn't it? So, yeah, man.
Oh, so you not leave her differently and things. So you see how you can work with it with a side chick because you go stay in this thing.
I talk to her about what that one still, and she said she not depend on that, just get somebody. See me?
Oh, okay. So no, but you know, help if you understand you because you go teach her now and things. So what is it you want from her when she says she not depend on it or what?
You know, only play headers.
Are the headers you want from your woman and she not give you?
With attention.
Well, you have to teach me headers with attention. Headers with attention.
No, me mean like.
Oh, you mean attention like, in general?
More attention, yeah.
You mean more attention from her in general? Yeah. Oh, sorry, me did a misunderstanding because I think it was like a thing to give headers with attention as opposed to headers without attention and thing like that. And so, but yeah, what you say in general, you want more attention. So you ask your woman for more attention and she says she not depend on that?
Basically, but you don't know me would really want the headers, which the headers not did none at all.
Oh, the headers not did none at all. So you say right I know you're a real road youth, you know, gangster and thing and whatever, and gangster no bow. But you want the headers somewhere and she not give the headers. So I saw you want a side chick now for give you the headers, but you not go down on the side chick either.
Yeah man, none of that.
None of that. But she for do it.
Burn up.
Okay, burn out that. You not do it. But she for just come in and do it and thing and whatever, and she will get her 8,000-9,000 a week. And of course you gotta give her some of my jerk chicken too and some of my seafood boil too and thing.
Yeah man, and natural juice.
And the natural juice and thing. If she want some jerk, she not go short a jerk chicken and natural juice and seafood boil if she want that and thing, don't it? Up there. Cause you go feed her. Yeah, feed her, make she get her nice juice and thing and what. Well, we put it out there. The ladies have heard you, and we will see what they say tomorrow. All right.
All right, big up.
All right, now say a word, man. Blessings, man. Cool.
Ladies.
Yeah, talk to them. Appeal to them. Yeah, talk to them before we leave. Talk to the ladies. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Ladies, wanna big up on yourself. Anyone interested? Jump in my inbox ASAP.
You see, any one of them interested them for jumping at your inbox ASAP.
ASAP.
Right away them for make it happen, don't it?
Believe.
All right, it goes some. All right. I think that is a good call for us to end on, you know. Something kind of seal it up. So ladies, in a year what the general say, you know, the general say, right, him lay out the resume and thing, and the man make you know, Jamaica the man there and thing, and him say him can afford like a 35, thousand, 36, something like so, Jamaican dollars, right? you know, you talk about 30, somebody could say 36, all right? So you talk about 9,000 Jamaican dollar a week, right? 36,000 Jamaican dollars a month. And the man says he's caring, he's kind, and things like that and whatever. And he want you all to jump in him inbox right now if you're interested in being his side chick, right? And him say he's in a relationship, but the woman who him there with, you know, she don't want to do the headers, she not depend that anymore headers, but him say him not swipe, right? So him not do so. So him want a side chick to come in and angle our business and thing and take care of that with him, right? So perhaps there are some of you ladies out there who might be interested in this proposal. So if you find it attractive and you're interested in applying, the gentleman has requested that you know, you jump in him inbox. And he said ASAP, right? So, hey, this might be your lucky break for one of you. Think about it, right? Even if you're up here in New York or you're in Baltimore or you're in Miami or whatever, at least when you go Jamaica, you can't shot a chicken. All right? You know, say when you drop at Jamaica, you jerk chicken lock every day. But just know, say, you can't eat chicken until you fulfill the primary requirement what the general say you have to have. So, when you eat chicken, you have to kind of do some other eat things and things. You understand? Right? I'm just kind of paraphrasing what the gentleman outlined, you know, so that you know exactly what you're getting into. So, a man says seafood boil. And when we talk about the jerk chicken, I'm reminding of natural juice. Yeah. No fun to go to Jamaica and I drink big Joe and all them look a careless juice there. You take on a proposal like you know, say you have your natural juice, you have your jerk chicken, right? And you have your seafood boil. So when you go down to Jamaica, your thing set, right? You travel, you're gonna be a global side chick. You drop down there, you get busy and do what you're supposed to do. And that the boss say. Yo. All right, that's it. I'm closing off this tomorrow. Yo, we're back, you know. Raga is back, you know, in full force, right? And for now, the thing up. Yeah, that's right there. Also, remember, I am your immigration lawyer here in the United States. Immigration law is federal law. If you have any immigration law concerns, I don't do litigation though, so but anything else, you can just hit me up again. And the number, remember over here, you can't say the number too much. So I'm going to say it one time, and you're going to text me. Don't try to call me. You're going to text me, all right, for immigration matters again. And that number here, and I do have WhatsApp on this number, okay? The number is 516-500-0210. All right, people, bless them on yourself. Thank you for hanging out with me tonight. It was fun. And big up to the ladies who are furiously right now considering the option for the gentleman's proposal just now. I know so many of you ladies must be just incredibly excited about this prospect and thing. And it for some of you, this might be an opportunity of a lifetime. Think about it. Unending jerk chicken in Jamaica. What more could you want in life? Yeah. And you get a little $9,000. 9,000 Jamaican dollar. How much that in the US? About how much in the US? I don't even know what the exchange rate is like right now, but 9,000 Jamaican dollar is about what in the money is about 56, about $60. I think it's more on the $60 side. 60, 70. Right. Hey. Wow. Look at that. You know. Lisa Raga, the natural juice, make me want to call him. Hello. When you say that's it right there, that is the part of the proposal where catch you, you know? The natural juice. Wow. Kimberly, I make you go to your bed now, man. Blessings.